Hey guys, so we're starting a stream here, so we're seeing if it's live. This is my first live stream that I have done for you guys. I've got things set up over here to the right. That's why you see me looking to the right. It looks like I am streaming. Let me see if it's coming up. Just make sure. Let's see. I can't tell if I am. Somebody drop in the chat. Let me know if anybody can see me. Oh, yep, we do have people here. Cool. I love it when technology works, guys. So guys, this is my first live stream, so appreciate you guys coming in, and I'm looking to the right here because that's where I've got all the chat. I can see it. So Kevin, welcome. Mike, welcome. Hey, you guys drop in the chat. Let me know how the volume is. Is the audio any good? How's the audio? Somebody drop in the chat. Let me know how the audio is going. All right, perfect. Terrence says it's good. Josie says yes, so good. Does the audio sound better than when I'm doing videos, guys? I've got a new microphone, so you guys let me know. Let me know, okay? Let me know what you guys think. See you. Yep. Yes. Cool. Man, we got a lot of people here already. Awesome. Shiba died. All good. Oh my God. Got a ton of comments already coming in. Cool, guys. All right, guys. So hey, welcome. We got like 230 people here already. That's crazy. Welcome. I genuinely appreciate you guys tuning in. This is my first live stream. So when I'm looking to the right, I'm looking to your chats here, guys. So that's what I'm looking at. All right. So cool. Wow. I may have to slow that down a little bit. It's flowing in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay on and hang out with you guys and just kind of, hang out with you, talk to you about what's going on. You can see on my screen, I'm in the upper right-hand corner. I've got my coin market cap up. We're just going to talk. You guys drop in the chat. I apologize. I'm not going to be able to get to all these. We got 262 concurrent views. It's crazy. Yeah, put it on slow mode. I did. Somebody said put chat on slow mode. Haven't quite figured out how to do all that. Let me see if I can change this. Toggle timestamp, pop out chart. No, it's not. Let's see. Top chat. See, I did put it on slow mode. I apologize, guys. It's my first live stream, so you're going to have to bear with me, all right? All right. Dropping in. Love that you guys are dropping in. This is cool. I can't get to all you guys. We got like 292 concurrent. Hey, Beast Move, I tried to put it on slow mode. I had it on like a 5-second delay. I need to put it on a bigger delay. So, guys, bear with me. First live stream. We're going to do this, and we'll be here for a while. So, yeah. Just lower your volume. All right, cool. I can do that. I just lowered my volume a little bit. Somebody said to lower it just a little bit. Where's Patrick Mahomes Funko? Oh yeah, sorry guys. So here. All right, hold on. I had to move them because I had to get a new monitor. So there's Patrick for you. For those of you guys who want him, there he is. I didn't lose him. I had to rearrange all my stuff here. So I'm having to look to the right, guys. Obviously, because that's where the chat is. Okay. So you guys bear with me, man. I'm getting this. We've already got questions coming in. Do I think the market's being manipulated? Watching from Nigeria. Smash the like. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Smash the like button. I appreciate that already. 330 viewers. All right, so here's what I'm going to do, guys. First stream. Cool. There will be a replay, of course. I'm going to, let's see. Hold on. Before I do this, let me see if I can change. Slow mode is already on. Can't change it any more slow. Next time I do this, guys, I'm gonna do the chat like we're with a 10-second delay. I think that'll ease it up. All right. So guys, this is cool. All right, 326 on live. Awesome. Here we go. All right. So here's kind of what I'm talking about, guys. I want to just kind of cover some of the main stuff. Drop in the chat here in a minute or two, and then what I'll do is I'll cover some content. We'll look at some stuff, and then I'll jump over to the chat, and I'll ask you guys to pop me some questions then, okay? Because I don't want to miss all your guys' questions, and there's a ton of comments already coming in. All right, so all right, here we go. All right, okay. So here's the thing, guys. We got a lot of cool stuff rallying, man. Bitcoin's been rallying. It's up 9% in the last 24 hours. Come back really, really strong. Ethereum's coming back, and it's looking really, really good. Some of you guys have given me crap in some of my videos. I mentioned Tether, like when here's the thing. When I'm going through these, I like really fast. I might have mentioned Tether. Obviously Tether is not really relevant per se from an overall crypto standpoint, but it's there. And sometimes when you're just you're naming them, so that's when you hear me mess up. You guys know I don't edit out my mess ups. But you know, the thing is I'm really liking what I'm seeing. We're absolutely coming back. Things are really looking good. Bitcoin's rallying. And I say this all the time in my videos. When Bitcoin is rallying and Ethereum is rallying, usually Doge and the rest of them will follow. That's absolutely happening. Binance is up 6, Doge is up 3. We're going to look at Doge today. We're going to look at Shiba today, tonight, rather tonight, right now. Polkadot's coming back. Uniswap's coming back really, really good. So I'm going to look over here and see if there's anything like else here. Got Denver, Colorado in the house, Florida. Is Shiba Inu safe on Trust Wallet? Yep, it is. I definitely think it's safe on Trust Wallet. Somebody had asked me that. Man, we got so many comments on here. It's awesome. Okay, so let me see what else. Oh, there you go. The Ashbury, thanks for the super chat. Great information. Keep it coming. 100 million SHIB tokens. Wow, thanks, man. Cool. 100 million tokens. That is awesome. 100 million SHIB tokens. Thanks for the super chat on that. I appreciate that. That's cool. Why there is a mowing today? Cool. Okay. Sydney, Australia. Just in Cannon City. Need BTC to go above 42,000. Yeah, I agree with that. You know, we're getting close, right? We're inching up there. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. So rallied up. Volume's up about 3%. Guys, you guys know I talk a lot about this in my videos, and but you know, and I'm going to talk about this in here in a minute. But we got a really, really nice rally. We're up almost 10%. And if you look at the 7-day chart on this, I mean, we've come up really, really nice. And I got to show you guys this. For those of you guys who are maybe new to me because of this live stream, I show this, and guys, I want y'all to go check this out. Datamish.com. When you get there, pull this up and have this in a tab for yourself, and just have it, because this is a really great snapshot into what's going on with Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum with long positions versus shorts. I'm going to cut to the chase. We got 19,000 shorts positions right now on Bitcoin. Let's see this red line up here, this spike. Guys, frankly, I've talked about this in my videos. I'm shocked that Bitcoin didn't go down. That shows you how much retail support Bitcoin has right now. In fact, it's headed up. You can guys see this white line over here on the right hand side. See how that white line is bouncing up, and yet we've got this massive spike in shorts. So in shorting position. So this is good news. Bitcoin is absolutely rallying and coming back and doing some really, really, really cool stuff. Nutsack, I love your Nutsack. Got a super chat from Nutsack. What do you think about reserve rights? Give me reserve rights, RSP. Let's see, reserve rights. I definitely am. You know what? Reserve rights. That one you kind of got me there, man. Nutsack. I gotta say it. That's his name, right? Crypto reserve rights. All right, you guys know that I don't always know everything, and I'm always gonna. If I don't really know about it, I'm gonna tell you that I don't. And reserve rights. Oh, okay, it's a new one. All right, cool. Let's check this out. So, come on. Reserve rights token cryptocurrency jumps by 12% in the last hour. So if it's a relatively new coin, I don't always know about it, guys, because there's over 10,000 plus cryptos out there. So Nutsack, there you go. Let's look at it. Cryptocurrency is currently bullish. Reserve rights 12 point up. Volume I'm just looking at this really. Reserve rights is 74,000. Twitter volatility crypto. Let me look at this real quickly. All right, let's look at it over here. What was it? It was RSR. So I have to keep saying his name, guys. That's his screen name, Nutsack. One of the best screen names I've ever seen. And I know you guys are out there laughing. Oh, you're like, Austin just said Nutsack. All right, hold on. RSR, reserve rights. Let's take a look. Here we go. Okay, we're up 11%, 12% in the last 31 day. No, in the last 24 hours, 7 day. Looks like we're peaking back up. I want to see the use case on it, though. Let's go check this out. What do they do? So hold on a minute. Guys, this is what I'm doing. I'm checking this out. Hold on just a minute. Flexible pool of stable coins, reserve rights to every day, project. Nutsack. This one wasn't on my radar. So where are we at? Where's it at? Oh, because it's 116 rating. Okay, 116. Protect your money. I think I kind of like this one. I haven't checked out their white paper. Here you go. The team's front and center. What's the tokenomics on it? Let's see if I can find the tokenomics on it. Where are they at? The proto of the project. All about reserve, without us. Let's see. Getting a lot of questions. All right, cool. Building stable coin, can't challenge. Nutsack, I think I'm gonna let me dig into this one. I kind of like it. I know you're pretty active on my channel, and hit me up on a comment on my other channel, on my other one of my other videos. I think I like this one. Protocol, reserve token. Okay. Different price. I'm just reading here, trying to read, guys. Stabilizing the peg when the price. It's hard to do this when you're live on video, by the way. Okay, and still got a ton of comments coming in here. It's kind of cool. I think I'm liking it, but I mean, I can't dig too far. But I appreciate the super chat, man, and I think I kind of like this one. Hit me up on my comment stream on my other one, Nutsack, and I'll do more. But here's the thing: I like it at this price point. 7-day looks like we're bouncing back up. So if it depends upon where you bought it, it looks like it's bouncing up pretty nicely. Let's see if there's any news here about it. Yep. Okay, so it's got some good news coming out. Features interest higher in between DeFi. I think I like this one. All right, I'm gonna have to move on. My name is DJ. I got another super chat. Hold on. Found your channel in the last 5 days, but definitely appreciate all of you. And well, only thanks. Well, wow, thank you. Appreciate that, DJ Ivril. Thanks for the super chat. I appreciate that. That's cool. Everybody wants to talk to me, the Ric Flair of crypto. Do I have Rick? Somebody who said that? Denali Daddy said I'm the Ric Flair of crypto. That's pretty funny. All right, cool. Let me bounce out of this and go back to coin market. I'm going to keep this one up, though. Let me do, let's do that. Dogecoin's doing pretty good, guys. I like what I'm seeing on Doge. We're back up. And if you look at the 7-day chart, we're looking a little flat here. But if you look here, we've absolutely moved up. Okay, so you guys know I have these TradingView charts. I keep them up and running. And I mean, we're bouncing back up. As you know, these are at 1 hour candlesticks, moving up pretty nicely. Now we've got a few red candlesticks back down, but I think this is, again, I say this all the time, that where the rest of the market, Bitcoin, Ethereum tend to go, Doge goes as well. Okay. So I like what I'm seeing with Doge. Everything's kind of looking pretty good here. I'll continue to keep an eye on it, but I definitely like what we're seeing here. You know, we had this downward cycle, we bottomed, then we kind of channeled for a while, and now we got this rise in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's looking really, really, really good. All right, I'm trying to take. Okay, I got HODL token. I will get to HODL token. I promise, guys. Guys, I can't see every chat. I apologize, man. There's like 400 plus of you guys right here right now. I'm sorry I can't get to every single message. Crazy. This is cool. All right. I got a couple of people I want to know. So somebody asked about T-Fuel. We're going to talk about T-Fuel. Theta, I love T-Fuel. So we're going to talk. I'm writing this down so I don't forget. All right, guys. T-Fuel. And we're going to talk about HODL because I haven't done a HODL video yet, but what we're going to do is we'll go live, guys, and we'll look at HODL. We'll definitely look at that because I've had enough of you guys asking in the comments from all my videos, so we'll definitely go live on that. All right? All right, let me see this. Just real quickly. I'm just seeing if there's anything. Somebody says I'm amazing. Thanks. Appreciate that, guys. Man, you guys are... and here's what I want to say. Honestly, guys, I genuinely, truly appreciate y'all's support. The amount of support that you guys have shown in the last 5-6 weeks to take my channel from 5,000 subscribers to over 60. I just passed the 60,000 subscriber mark. It's because of all you Shiba, the Shib army, the Doge army. You guys know I cover both of those respectively. So thank you so much. Genuinely from the heart, I am humbled by your support. If I start talking about it, I'll probably start crying. I'm kind of that emotional kind of guy sometimes. But thank you so much for your support. I genuinely, truly appreciate y'all's support, and I don't take it lightly, which is why you don't see me do a lot of hypey stuff and all that kind of stuff. I'm just out here just trying to help you guys out. All right, let me see. So safe hold. Okay, so far I got T-Fuel and HODL. Those are a few. I'll take a couple of other comments. Let me see, and then I'll jump back. We got Shibaswap coming out there. Check out Baby Dogecoin and Porn Rocket. I knew somebody was going to ask about some of the adult stuff, man. All right, we'll look at Porn Rocket. All right, we'll look at that. And what was it, Baby Dogecoin? All right, we'll look at that one too. All right, I'm writing these down, guys. I'll take a few more, okay, and then we'll get to looking at them. So thoughts on SafeMoon. We'll talk about SafeMoon too, okay? I haven't done a SafeMoon video in a while. Andy's asking how much I've got into Shiba. Guys, I've got about $500 worth of SHIB, and that's what I've got, okay? Frankly, I was waiting for it to drop a little bit more, and I was going to pick up some more. But you can guys see right here, what we got here is a really nice rally, right? And I've been showing you guys this, but we've absolutely popped up pretty nice. I think I may add a little bit more, but I've got about 500 bucks worth of SHIB, so there you go. So Andy, that was your question. I appreciate the question, brother. Josh, was there any possibility of Doge hitting $5 by the end of the year? I don't know, man. That's a pretty big stretch. I'm just trying to get to the dollar range, right? I want to get Doge up to about 50 cents, guys. We can get Doge back up to 50 cents, and then I think we can move on to $1, okay? All right, let's see what else. Let's see. VeChain. We'll talk about VeChain. I haven't talked about them in a while. I'm a big, huge fan of that. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. If y'all want, grab a pen and a piece of paper, and I'm going to go through kind of some of the coins that I really, really like, some of the stable coins. I'm going to talk about that, all right? And then I'll jump into some of these others. Guys, I'm going to look over this way because I'm not going to be looking at every chat. So if y'all want to chill on the chat just for a little bit, I appreciate the support, but I can't look at that and look at this. So if you drop a chat right now, I'm probably not going to see it for just a little bit, all right? But I truly, guys, appreciate your support. Tim asked for AMP. All right, AMP's a good one. We're going to cover AMP as well. All right, here we go. All right, I got a lot to cover. All right, so let's drop here. Let's go here to go to CoinMarketCap. All right, so let's talk about. All right, let's pick the one here. Let's just go here, guys. Okay. So what I want to do here is I want to tell you this is my channel, guys, is a G-rated channel, right? I'm a G-rated channel. I've said this before. I'm going to say it again. There's a crypto for everybody, right? And that's what I think I really, really, really love about crypto is that there's a crypto for everyone. People love Doge for different reasons. They love SHIB, Ethereum, etc. Porn Rocket. I haven't looked at it. I guarantee you, it's a crypto tied to an adult website. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at it. Yep. Okay. So it's tied to decentralized adult content social sharing platform built on blockchain, bringing a disruptive ecosystem to the adult industry. Okay. Our app concept testing took place on this. Where over 150 users were able to test the app. Users were asked to sign a non-disclosure. It's currently listed on these exchanges. I know I'm a G-rated channel, but those are right here. They are, okay? Mutable contact, NFT. They got an NFT. It's like they're doing a NFT market as well. Latest news and articles. Here's what I would say, all right? I'm gonna cut to the chase. Is that, there's a couple of these. I only know of this one and probably 2 or 3 others because they show up. I'll show you this. If you want to go to categories, where was it? Yeah, hold on just a minute. Where was it? Oh, right here. Sorry about that. Kind of got tripped up. First time live on video, man. Sometimes I'm getting a little like, woo. Okay, you can see right here. Look, you'll catch these adult-oriented tokens that'll show up on the trending stuff. Here's where I'll cut to the bottom line. All of these adult-oriented cryptos. Number one, the use case around them is pretty straightforward. They are tied to adult websites. Let's just cut to the chase. Porn and adult websites, whether you like them, hate them, love them, don't whatever, this is a G-rated show, right, are here to stay. And the fact that they're building these cryptocurrencies into their platforms as far as like tokens to use for like, tipping and payment for things, stuff like that is brilliant. Okay, so investing in these cryptos is probably not a bad idea. Don't put money into them you can't afford to lose. But these adult-oriented crypto tokens, probably not a bad idea. I personally don't own any of them right now. At my personal, I don't own any of them. But look at this one right here. It's up. Porn Rocket's up 43% in the last 7 days and 6.3% in the last 24 hours. And another thing, guys, is these adult-oriented cryptos, they may be a little bit resistant to the overall market trends, right? If you've got, if Bitcoin and Ethereum happen to be down, these adult-oriented cryptos might be resistant to those cycles. I don't know that. I'm just talking out loud. So whoever asked that earlier, it's not a bad, pick yourself up a couple of them. Don't put money into it you can't afford. But the use case is pretty straightforward. Crypto built around porno sites, highly trafficked sites, probably not a bad use case. All right. Somebody said porn will not get banned, so that's pro. Yeah, I mean, and we got a bunch of laugh out louds, right? I mean, you guys, I'll cover it, but I'll cover it in a G-rated manner, right? So let me see what else. I'm looking at the chats here real quickly, guys. So yeah, I mean, we got, who said that? Porn, Be Smooth said porn is not going anywhere. No, it's not. I said that. Porn's here to stay, and so maybe, put yourself 20, 50 bucks or whatever you can afford. Maybe buy a couple of them. There's a couple of them. There's Porn Rocket, and there's a couple more of them. So yeah, pick them up. I don't personally have a problem with them, and hey, an investment's an investment. All right, cool. All right. Hey, guys, smash the like button if you could. And also, I am going to give you an ad. If anybody's interested in my Patreon, my private members group, that's in the description below if you guys want to check that out. I got a private Discord over there. We talk crypto all day. We support each other, as well as I'm going to be building a brand new portfolio for my members over there, which reminds me, I promised you guys. So here you go. If you want, grab a pen and a piece of paper. I'm going to give you probably my top 9 to 10 really stable coins that I really, really like. And here we go on that. All right. So here's the thing. If you're investing in crypto, guys, I think that everybody should have a little bit of Bitcoin, number one. Everybody should have a little bit of Ethereum, number 2. All right. Everybody, in my opinion, should have a little bit of a Cardano. Again, not investment advice, right? Cardano, that's what? 3. Dogecoin, 4. Dogecoin and Shiba are kind of more speculative, so they're not really kind of a, quote, stable coin per se, although Doge is kind of on its way. I realize there are people that argue with me. So Doge and Shiba are kind of, on the speculative side. I want to dig into XRP a little bit. I'm hearing some rumblings about some stuff going on with XRP, but I can't validate, haven't been able to validate them, but I would put XRP kind of on the list of some that I really like. Polkadot, I'm a fan of. So what is that? We up to one. We had Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Polkadot, Litecoin. I think Litecoin's underrated. That's what, 6. Chainlink, 7. Polygon, massive fan of Polygon. T-Fuel, we're going to talk about Theta. That's 7 or 8. And VeChain is 9. And if I'm skipping over one, doesn't mean that I dislike it, guys. It just means that I haven't dug into it really, really deep. Those are probably my main ones. Okay. Speculative coins that are out there that I do kind of like, that I've looked at a little bit. Obviously, Doge and Shiba, into those guys is big time. I like both of them. I do own Dogecoin, you guys know. And some other ones that, there's Theta Fuel, T-Fuel. Sorry about that. I got it wrong with Theta up there. So T-Fuel. Somebody asked about that one. We need to look at that one. So we'll look at that one here in a minute. Okay. Those are probably some of the main ones. Some of the ones that, from a speculative standpoint, I think I haven't looked at SafeMoon disclosure. I haven't looked at SafeMoon in a while. We are going to look at SafeMoon here in a minute. All right. I keep hearing about HODL. There's some other ones. So we're going to continue to dig into that. All right. I am going to talk about HODL, guys. I promise. Promise. Okay. Shiba Inu going to rock. Price prediction. Answer question. Sorry about that. Khalid, guys, I'm only one guy, and there's like ton of chats. Khalid is saying, answer the question for God's sake, price prediction when Shibaswap comes out. All right. I wasn't ignoring you, man. I promise. I wasn't ignoring you, okay? But I can't see all of the questions and try to give you guys some content as well. All right. So Khalid was asking about what my prediction is when Shibaswap comes out. I absolutely think, let me get Shiba. Here's our Shiba, on CoinMarketCap. I think, number one, the day Shibaswap goes live, remember, I'm going to show you guys this again. This 6 is sitting in the millionth spot. If you look at our our year-to-date chart, we're at 3, right? Our peak that we ever hit was when a 3 was in the 100,000 spot. I think, number one, we can get back to here with at least a 1. That's minimum when Shibaswap goes live. And I think we can pick up at least 1 0, if not maybe two zeros. What's going to happen, though, Khalid, and those of you guys who are asking me, kind of wanting maybe a price prediction around Shiba, is that we're going to have to get swap goes live, it goes well, it does everything as promised, right? And then beyond that, it gets a major adoption rate. It's easy to use, etc. All that goes with that, and then beyond that, We got to have new retail money come in, which means what? We're going to have additional tokens purchased from the SHIB army, but also we need brand new retail money coming in. To do that, we need mainstream media to pick up the fact that Shibaswap has gone live, and they will. Mainstream media is already covering Shiba Inu because they're the Doge killer, so there's a lot of content and articles that come out around Doge. Doge/Shiba Inu. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. I think so. If you want to hear me to sum it up, I think we can pick up at least 2 zeros, maybe 1 for sure. We can get back here, and I think we might be able to pick up and go to this 0 right here, where that's in the 10,000 spot, I believe. Which, by the way, is a massive, massive jump. Okay, and I'm hedging my bets a little bit. I tend to be a little bit conservative. All right, so there you go. All right, so yeah, so there you go. I promise I'm not ignoring your questions, guys, if I don't get to it. All right. So let me see. We talked about, what did we talk about? We talked about Porn Rocket. All right, there we go. Okay. Let me see. When is Robinhood? I'm assuming we're talking about the Robinhood wallet. I haven't looked at that in a while. I'm assuming. You're talking about the listing for Robinhood. There's nothing been coming out like recently, guys, or specifically about, we had a question about Robinhood. Robinhood and Shiba Inu. All right, let's see. We know the petition's out there, and we know the petition hit like 100,000 plus. It was crazy. Like, here's the petition. So we're at 132,000 have signed. So there you go. And so, but Robinhood has not come out and said that they're going to list it. And by the way, back to some of those other questions when we got like Khalid and you guys were asking me for some predictions, right? If Robinhood picks up Shiba, dude, we're moving up. When Robinhood picks up Shiba, that's massive. That's as big as Shibaswap, right? It is. Okay. All right. So let me see here. So when is Robinhood? When will Costia? We'll say, will Cardano get to $100? Let's see. Where's Cardano? Let's go. I'm going to just do this coin. Let's get rid of the Porn Rocket thing. All right. Guys, Cardano. Somebody asked if Cardano will hit $100. Well, here's the thing. People are talking about Cardano in relation to $5 or $10 by the end of the year. So Cardano for $100, man, that's a long way down the road. 5+ years, a lot has to happen. I don't like the fact that people are calling Cardano the Ethereum killer. You guys have heard me. I've talked about that all the time. To me, they don't need to be. They're not. Yes, they're competitors, but right, they're not trying to kill each other, so to speak. Okay. All right. So let me see if there's anything else. Okay. Bigger. I just gave the ADA, Daniel Garcia, I just gave the ADA stuff. There still needs to be a coin burn on Shiba to make any real money. I would tend to agree. All right, tend to agree, guys. Guys, I apologize. I cannot get to every single one of your chats. This is awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for chatting and frankly being here to support me. This is awesome, cool. We have 400 plus concurrent users right now, 198 likes. That's awesome. Wow, this is awesome, cool. All right, so let me see if there's any other things here. We had a lot of laugh out louds. I'm just going back in the chat. Just a minute. All right, hold on just a minute, guys. Two War Vet. Can we look at Ravencoin today? Sure. Let's look at that. See what that is. Never even looked at it. Okay. All right, guys. I got about 5 or 6 here I want to look at. So we're going to look at. Here we're going to do. We're going to look at VeChain. I am a fan of VeChain. Where is it? Did I pass over it? I probably did. I tend to move the screen too much. There you go. VeChain. Definitely a huge fan of VeChain. And I think VeChain's got a lot of room to move up. It's got, positive stuff going around it. I love the use case around it. I am a fan of VeChain, guys. I'm not going to dive too much into it. I promise I'm going to do a VeChain video for you guys. I've done a couple of them. To me, VeChain is one of those stable coins that's kind of out there that I think everybody should have a little bit. I've talked about this at length, guys, but don't put all your money into one crypto. Don't put all your money into Bitcoin. Don't put all your money into Ethereum. By the way, don't put all your money into crypto. Put some money into stocks, index funds, things like that, right? But I'm absolutely a huge fan of VeChain. All right, big fan. Okay, so that's VeChain. You know what? Let's do this. Let's look at SafeMoon. I have not looked at SafeMoon in a while. I haven't done a SafeMoon video. So let's look at that in a bit. All right, SafeMoon. Here we go. SafeMoon. All right. So SafeMoon's bouncing up. It's up about 1%. Okay. So let's look at the last 7 days. So we got pretty much your standard kind of a little bit of volatility here. Okay. Let me look at the markets. Picked up anything? Yep. Okay. Pretty similar markets overview. Cards on the table, guys. I have not kept up with SafeMoon in the last week or two. So what I have liked about SafeMoon in the past, let me go to Google. Okay, we're gonna do this. Again, I'm doing this live, guys. I have no idea what I'm about to find. Okay, what I've liked about SafeMoon in the past is number one, is I've liked that the dev team and everybody who's involved with SafeMoon is out front and center. The AMAs, all that stuff. I like that they're out for the coin front and center, and that they're not hidden. I mean, I'm not slamming SHIB in that regard, right? But about 2 or 3 weeks ago, we had information like this, Ponzi scheme stuff. We had a lot of FUD out there around SafeMoon. And again, you guys know I'm going to shoot straight with you. I haven't looked at SafeMoon in about 2 weeks. Okay, so I didn't know what I was going to find here. All right. Now I like this. This is on Yahoo Finance. SafeMoon Cash, a rug-proof community-driven take on SafeMoon crypto. Let's see what this says. SafeMoon Cash launches a fully rug-proof ownership driven on time. There's no dev marketing fund required. SafeMoon Cash with stealth launch. Is this this is not SafeMoon. This is SafeMoon Cash. Interesting. Okay. So this is like another coin that, okay, SafeMoon. This is obviously we had another coin launch. I didn't know this. So let me look. Is this a safe? Let's see. Hold on just a minute. Can't spell today. Yeah, we had another coin. Okay. So it looks like this is just another coin that launched. That they've kind of named themselves. They've named themselves. It's not the same. All right. So that article was not about them. There you go. Okay. So again, you guys know, hey, this is live. I'm not pulling any punches here. So here's the thing. I'm going to shoot straight with you guys. Right here, right now, I can't give you enough input. Whoever asked about SafeMoon, I can't give you enough input to whether or not SafeMoon is good or not. I'm just telling you straight up. I haven't looked at it enough, guys, in a while. I know that it's got everything I've said about it I love, and that's kind of where I'm at. So I don't have enough information right here, right now to do this. I promise you guys, I'll do a SafeMoon video. Okay, so let me write that down. I'll do a SafeMoon video for you guys, and I'll dig into it. All right. So whoever asked about SafeMoon, I'm gonna do a SafeMoon video for you. Edgar, what do you own on your portfolio? Edgar, I already kind of went over that a lot of that, and in my portfolio, the one that I've had for a while now, I got Bitcoin, Ethereum. I've already told you some of these: Cardano, Doge, some Shiba, XRP, a little bit of Polkadot, Litecoin, Polygon. I'm sure I'm skipping over a few. VeChain. I have some ETC as well. Okay. I'm building a brand new portfolio for my Patreon members that I haven't started yet. I'm researching a couple things, and so that's going to be launched live for the Patreon members, and you guys will know what I buy, when I buy it, why I'm thinking of this thing. I'm taking input from my my members over there on ones they want me to look at, things like that. So there you go. So thanks for the question. Edgar says, "What's your next coin?" Some that I'm looking at here. So Edgar, I just happened to jump over and see your deal. We have somebody said talk about Bitcoin. Bradley just gave me a super chat. Bradley, I see it. You're saying thoughts on ThorChain. All right, let me. Bradley, I saw your super chat and I wrote it down, and we're gonna look at it in just a minute. All right, I got you, man. Thanks for the super chat, Bradley. Appreciate you. Okay. So I'm looking. So the couple that I'm looking at, guys, is T-Fuel, and actually one that somebody just asked me about, which was BitTorrent, the BitTorrent one. So those are a couple that I'm looking at, right? And we haven't even got to T-Fuel yet, so we're gonna look at that here in just a minute. All right. Okay. I'm going to look at Raven in just a minute. Garth, I promise. Okay. And I can't, God, I would love to get through all these chats. It's crazy. All right. All right. Let me see. Let me see. I'm just seeing if there's anything else. So yeah, for those of you guys who wanted to know about SafeMoon, I'm going to do a video on SafeMoon because right now I can't dig too much, and but I've already given you my opinions on that. Kevin Smith, SafeMoon is a 3+ year investment. All right, thanks, Kevin. Appreciate you. PinkPanda. Somebody's talking about PinkPanda. We need to look at that one. We're gonna look at that one here in a minute. All right. All right. Cool. Okay. All right. Let's get back, guys. I'm not gonna look at the chat for a minute. I'm gonna look at some of these I already got. Okay. So we already did SafeMoon. I'm gonna do that. We had somebody ask about. Oh, we wanted to look at. Who wants to? Bradley wanted me to look at ThorChain, Rune. Okay, let's look at that one. Here we go. Thanks for the super chat, by the way. That's cool. ThorChain. All right. Wow, $8 up 14%. Cool. Okay, let's look at the 7-day. All right, so we dipped. Volume is dipped as well, but we're coming back up year to date. Okay, ramping up. Okay, 24-hour highs and lows. Bear with me, guys. I'm just looking at this real quickly. Okay, where can you buy it? Let's check that out. Markets, you can get it on Binance. Okay. It's currently ranked number 52, so it's in the top 100. Interesting. Okay. Never. By the way, you're seeing me do this live, guys. ThorChain was not on my radar, but Bradley wanted me to look at it, so here we go. So let's look at this. Decentralized liquidity protocol. Deposit native assets into liquidity pools to earn yield. The network is 100% autonomous. I like that. I love that front and center is a benefit statement about what it is that they do. Okay. Is that a video? What is this? Oh, click here to register your Thor name. Okay. But sir, interludes. We got it on everything. Mad up on your first read. Interludes, interest, common questions. Okay, 10% SCs. How much room circulating supply? Designed to be the most liquid in its own ecosystem, a utility creates value for the network. Interesting. Simulate Rune's value by forecasting it. Okay. Solvency should be verifiable. Total capital, total bond, total impulse. Wow, very, very, very upfront. Really like what I'm seeing here. Guys, Bradley? I may have to add this one to, I may have to pick some of this up myself. Man, this is pretty cool. I like what I'm seeing. Let me see. Okay, so let's look at Rune. Okay, utility first value is designed to be the most used in its own network. Utility creates super system, has 5 distinct superpowers. Liquidity is a settlement, security is a governance, incentives, amplifier. Guys, I think we may have found a good one. Bradley, thank you for this. This is a really cool. You guys need to write this one down. Write down Rune. It's right here. ThorChain, but the symbol is RUNE. It's right here. I want you all guys to go look at this one yourself as well. I'm definitely like what I'm seeing. It. How many will exist? 500 million supply. Okay. Payments to fixed amount, bet on TV. I like it. Bradley, I'm digging this one. You guys go check this one out, and we can keep this one moving up. Incentive pendulum is sort of... What influences it? 80% of Rune gets locked into ThorChain pools by economic dish. This is a very, very well done explanation and everything surrounding it. This is really good stuff. All right. I like this one. This one's now officially on my radar. Thanks, Bradley. Appreciate you, man. All right, guys. Let me see what else we've seen here. Amp, thoughts on Atom. Okay, so cool. All right, I like this one. I'm definitely writing this. I'm circling this one, so that's Rune. Maybe picking up some of that. So, Bradley, as far as I can tell, Thanks for the super chat. Appreciate it. And I'm digging this one. Gary Dawson is in the house. Gary, thank you for the super chat. Thank you for that. And I appreciate the little green emoji guy. Whatever that is. Thanks, Gary. Appreciate you, man. Interesting. All right, that was cool. That's a new one that wasn't on my radar. That's pretty. I like this one. I like Rune, but y'all do some due diligence. I like that it has a lot of availability. I'm digging this one a lot. Okay, so cool. PinkPanda, thoughts on where SHIB developers might be. Pushing new code. Don't forget Bitcoin. Ironic. Okay. All right. So we did that. We did Porn Rocket. Somebody asked about Raven. We're going to do Raven and we're going to do Baby Doge. Let's see. Is this Raven? Let's see. Ravencoin. Let's go to there. Yeah. Neg number 1. Okay. All right, guys. I haven't ever looked at this one. Okay. Cesar says the founder of PinkPanda is doxxed and so transparent. Transparency is the key on new tokens. I agree. I hope I'm saying your name right. Cesar. I hope I'm saying your name. Gonzalez, I appreciate you. Said the founder of PinkPanda is doxxed and very transparent. All right, cool. I am going to look at PinkPanda. I got it written down. Did I write it down? Yes, I did right there. All right, cool. All right, we're looking at Raven. Okay, so I've never looked at Raven, so you guys just bear with me. All right. Okay, so it's number 100 on the list. It's trading at 7 cents and change, so it's up 6.29% in the last 7 days. That's your classic dip, moving back up. All right, it's trading between 66 cents and 6.8 and 7.6, give or take. Let's see where you can get it. Okay, you can get it on Binance, Huobi. Okay, quite a few exchanges. So very, very CoinEx, very, very easily, very well available. I like that. All right, so Raven. Okay, let's look around the news real quickly. Project Ravencoin surpasses $1 billion market cap. All right, let's look at that. Project retweeted they have surpassed $1 billion market. What is truly remarkable is that they have done so without any premier fundraising, ICO, developer reward, or founders reward. Wow. They've done so with a fair launch and proof of work. Mining works. Users can use Ravencoin protocol to easily create secure digital assets without the need for a smart contract. Interesting. What is Raven? It's an open source blockchain project specializing in the creation and peer-to-peer transfer of assets, being a fork of the original Bitcoin protocol. Uses XTO. White paper is signed by Boston area blockchain advisor Bruce. Fenton is an advisor for the Bill and Melinda Gates. Okay, BlackCon. Primary use case for Ravens are as follows: transferring ownership of an item. Simplify shareholder voting. Wow, it's very straightforward. Raven tweeted protocols entirely governed by node runners and miners. Okay. Interesting. Sword. So it's definitely up. It's up. Remarkable 506 rally in a little over 2 weeks. Relative strength is hovering deep inside the overbought. So this says right here, the RSI is hovering deep inside the overbought zone, showing that the asset is overpriced. As such, the price will likely face a bearish correction soon. When did this article come out? 3 months ago. Ugh, all right. Well, that's sorry about that, guys. You saw I just clicked on the news, so that's 3-month-old information. Okay, so let's look real quickly overview. But it did give me an idea of kind of what this was. Okay, so it looks like we came down from an all high right up in here, right? So we were at 15 cents. So we're down off of our big time, off of our highs. Now we're trading at around the 7 cents. It looks like at this price point, it's not a bad hold. Let's see, website, Ravencoin here, peer-to-peer blockchain handling, efficient creation, transfer of action from one party to another. Interesting. New wallet release. So whoever asked about Ravencoin, this one's intriguing, and I think that this one can continue to move up. That's what I like about doing these live streams, man. You see a lot of new stuff, okay? At a high level, guys, for me, I can't really dig into it a huge amount, but I like what I'm seeing here. So whoever asked about Ravencoin, this is very, very intriguing, and I'm going to put it on kind of on my radar as one that could be interesting. Okay, let me look at this real quickly. Peer-to-peer use case specific blockchain design. The founders, Bruce Fenton. Okay, founders are straight out there. Crypto for being a board member, Bitcoin, software developer. So we know who everybody is. The CTO of Overstock. Raise a fork of event features, keep modifying. Block reward of 5,000. Block time, reduced time, supply. There you go. Supply capped at 21 billion, 10 times more than Bitcoin in a mining algorithm intended to mitigate the decentralization. It might. That's interesting. Man, it's just crazy. There's over 10,000 plus tokens and coins out there. All right, so whoever asked about Raven, that's interesting. I'm circling that one. It's now kind of on my radar. So we have people chiming in. Ravencoin is great. We had somebody ask about Ankar, ANKR. I need to look at that. Okay, we're gonna do that. All right, this turned into a look at this coin. Look at this coin. This is cool. All right, we're just discovering some coins together, guys. So let me real quickly. Let's see. Jan McGinnis, I still can't buy Shiba Inu. Young guys talk too fast. I need step by step. Guys, there's some videos on YouTube that are really amazing. That literally go to YouTube. Go to YouTube. Type in how to buy Shiba Inu, and there's videos that will walk you through step by step by step. There is videos that do it. And by the way, I showed you if you're new, if you know about. On Twitter, if you go to, what was it? Where was it? I gave you the Discord right here. If you go to Twitter, if you're trying to figure out how to buy it, if you go to Twitter and you type in Shib, and you go here to this Discord right here, okay? Right here on the screen, you'll see it, this link. It'll take you to their Discord server. You join and you can get in for free, and then there's screenshots inside of Shiba's Discord, the official Discord for Shiba as well, okay? So there you go on that. Troy, are the shorts still pummeling crypto? Not really. I showed this earlier. Right here, yes, the shorts are still massive, but Bitcoin is rallying and it's up 38,000. So right now, look at the shorts; they're massively up, but Bitcoin is going up. So it's kind of we're doing okay on that regard. Okay. Kevin Smith, Crypto.com has Shiba Inu. Yeah, that's true. Sorry about that. Thank you for that, Kevin. Appreciate that. You can buy SHIB on Crypto.com as well. And a lot of my Discord members in my private group have that as well. Okay. All right, cool. All right, we got some. All right, let me keep moving on, guys. All right, I'm going to get back to, we covered Raven. Let's look at T-Fuel. Theta Fuel. Wow, 29% and the 30%. See, I just showed it and it went up more. 55 cents. So let's look at 7 days. Every single crypto does the exact same thing here, guys, don't they, man? They've all gone down, down, down. This was Bitcoin being pressured. Everything I've talked about in all my videos, and then boom, 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 and now we're all bouncing. There's my mistake. Bouncing. We're all bouncing back up. 24-hour high and lows, 41 cents to 57 cents. Pretty cool. Let's look at this down here real quickly. All right, the live Theta Fuel price today is 55 with a March trading volume, blah, blah, blah. All right, read more. So, yeah, Theta Fuel is one of the 2 native tokens on the Theta blockchain. All right, T-Fuel should not be mistaken for Theta, which is the governance token of the Theta blockchain, supported by thousands of community-run Guardian nodes and enterprise validators, including Google, Binance, blockchain vendors. Goodbye. T-Fuel is the second token on the Theta blockchain that serves as a utility token. Okay. Centralized video and data delivery docks as a gas token. Okay. It's to power all operations. In addition, it's also used to incentivize users in the ecosystem. We were the founders. Okay. It's an extension of the entire Theta, co-founded by Mitch Liu, Joey. Okay. They're front and center. And then gaming, video, virtual realities, co-founding video, Tapjoy. Cool. All right. There they are. What makes it unique? Theta's main use case is decentralizing video streaming, data delivery, and edge computing and make it more efficient, cost-effective, and fair for industry participants. The network runs on native blockchain. Theta's appeal is threefold. Viewers get... Okay, here we go. This is cool. Theta's appeal is threefold. Viewers get rewarded with better quality streaming service. Content creators improve their earnings, and middleman video platforms save money. Users have incentivized. So, okay, the platform is open source. Yep. As earlier mentioned, there are 2 coins. I think I'm officially going to be picking up some T-Fuel. Yeah. This has been kind of on my radar. There's another content creator guys here on YouTube. I don't know if he's with us tonight. He may be. He's a buddy of mine that we just hooked up in the last couple of days. His name is Zach. Humphreys, Zach Humphreys. Really, really good content creator here on YouTube. I want to give him a shout out. He's got about 5,000 subscribers. Go over and check out his stuff. I'm helping him grow his channel a little bit. I don't get anything out of it. I just like him. We did a live stream the other day. We're gonna do one. We did it on his channel, and we're gonna do one on my channel this week, probably tomorrow or something like that. My point to you is that he's a big fan of Theta and T-Fuel, and he kind of turned me on to these guys. So I want to give him a shout out for that. And so, plus I want to give him a shout out on his channel. If you haven't checked out his channel yet, do that. It's Zach Humphreys here on YouTube. Go check him out. He makes great content. He loves his audience, and he's always trying to do right by his subscribers. All right. So T-Fuel. Whoever asked about T-Fuel, I'm a fan. I like it. And I knew that Zach liked Theta. He talked about it on our live stream we did the other day. And so I'm definitely liking that. All right, cool. So I like that. Let me look at, got a couple more here. Let me look at PinkPanda. Somebody was saying about PinkPanda. Where's PinkPanda? Let me see. Did I spell that wrong? Is it just pink? Pink. Is it Panda? Panda Finance, PinkPanda. What am I missing here, guys? PinkPanda. Somebody asked me to talk about PinkPanda, right? I'm not seeing that. Somebody drop in the chat if they know the ticker, their symbol for PinkPanda, because I can't find it. Somebody drop it in. Drop it in the chat if you know the ticker for PinkPanda. Oh, it's on CoinGecko. Oh, okay. Don't forget. Oh, all right. Let me go to CoinGecko. There you go. Thanks for the heads up, guys. Appreciate it. Okay, so let's go to CoinGecko. Search PinkPanda. There they are. Cool. Okay. All right. Can you guys see this all right? Let me make this bigger. That probably helps, doesn't it? All right. PinkPanda. Let's look at their website. Future of finance. PinkPanda is a winning utility token powering the developing of next-gen crypto finance tools, 5x leverage, DEX for BSC. Okay, PinkPanda cares deeply about community and giving back. Where can you buy markets? So you can buy it on crypto.com. You can buy it on eToro. Is that right? No, I'm sorry. Those are sponsored. You can go and get it on PancakeSwap, right? Am I assuming that's right, guys? Drop in the chat. You can only buy it on Pancake, right? Because look, these are, you see on my screen, these do look like they're ads, but you can't. Can you buy PinkPanda on crypto.com? It doesn't look to me like you can. I don't use CoinGecko a lot. Somebody drop in the chat. It looks like you can only buy it on PancakeSwap, right? Community's always growing. Opinion on Ergo. Anyway, y'all drop and let me know there. And I'm looking at the chat real quickly, guys. Let's see. Oh, yeah, only on Pancake. Thanks, Nicholas. Thanks, Finn. Appreciate you guys. Okay. Okay, so you can only get it on Pancake. All right, that's cool. That's fine. That's not a bad thing. I just didn't. You saw what I was looking at, right? It shows eToro X and crypto, but they're ads, right? It's like, well, no, that's kind of confusing. All right. Sir Ripstream, wear Lambo. Okay, cool. All right, let's look at their website. Okay, tokenomics. That's what I care about right there. All right, token 50% burn, 10% transaction, 5%. You guys love PinkPanda, man. I mean, it looks like you. I mean, a lot of y'all are jumping in and saying you definitely dig it. Drop in the chat. Why do you like? For those of you guys who love PinkPanda, why do you love PinkPanda? Okay, tell me why you like PinkPanda. All right. I am going to look at FEG token, by the way. Somebody just asking about FEG. I just saw that. Drop in the chat. Why do you guys love PinkPanda so much? And I'll come back and look at that in just a minute. All right. So the founder, Adam Carlton, doxed founder, PinkPanda. Wow, front and center. There you go. 20 years. Must have been touched. Must have been touched by cancer. What? 30 years. Wow. Okay. You got my attention. I don't talk about this, but my dad died of cancer back in 2008. So this is interesting. Okay. So, hey, we're talking about PinkPanda, JJ. So yeah, I don't know Panda. Somebody asked me to check it out. The devs are so entertaining. PinkPanda, let's see. You like the name? They're on the Panda petition. Patreon members on here. Oh, cool. Some Patreon members on here. Cool, guys. Beginning, and I can say we have the best community. So Bruno, I've been holding PinkPanda since its beginning, and I can say we have the best community in the crypto world. And I'm a bit, and I'm in a lot of other cryptos. Okay, cool. Look at the graph. Cancer. Okay, look at the graph. I'm a Doge holder. You can't go wrong investing in it. Cool. All right. Well, wow. I didn't know that PinkPanda, guys. I had never looked at PinkPanda. I did not know that they was specifically around, had to do with cancer. Okay, so let me see here. What we're building is non-custodial for mobile community voting, rogue polling, filling the past. Large portion of profits would go to charity. Roadmap. PinkPanda launch. Okay. Donate to. What is PinkPanda? Billing DeFi. I like the charitable aspect of it. My dad died of pancreatic cancer in 2008. So I'm absolutely somebody who's been impacted by cancer. We care about giving back to the community. We aspire to build a community that takes into account more than just charitable profit. Just because of the charitable aspect in the front and center and their tokenomics, I like them. I might have to put some money in this just because that's what I love about crypto, guys, is that there's cryptos for things that you care about, right? There's personal beliefs and personal what am I trying to say? Like charitable aspects. I'm in. I'm a fan. I like it already. I think I'm gonna have to pick up some PinkPanda. Cool. Okay. Let's see. I'm just reading this. Evan or Flynn says PinkPanda graph just keeps going up. My mom died of lymph node. Thank you. I'm sorry to hear about that, Troy. So sorry about that. Yeah, my dad had pancreatic cancer. He died 4 months after my son was born. I have one picture of him and me and my son. And so, yeah, I mean, cancer is a bitch. I have a lot stronger feelings about it than that, but this is a G-rated show. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect this to have kind of that. I didn't know PinkPanda, guys, was related to charity and cancer. Okay, I'm making a note of that, and I'm gonna have to pick up some PinkPanda. Okay. All right, so let's continue moving on, guys. I'm gonna probably do. God, I've been on for an hour already. I'm gonna do probably another 20, 30 minutes or take, and then I'll sign off. And if you guys want to catch the replay, you can. I want to again thank you truly for your support, and thanks for everybody being on here with me. The fact that you guys embrace me on YouTube and you've supported my channel, I truly, sincerely, from the heart, appreciate, and I don't take it lightly. Okay, so I do take the responsibility of trying to bring you guys the latest and greatest of what's going on. So I just again want to thank you guys for your support, truly. Okay, so we looked at T-Fuel. I'm gonna check PinkPanda, check that. We need to look at HODL. Somebody had mentioned HODL. Okay. Let's go over here. Crypto. HODL. I have looked at HODL before, guys. Ranked 2694. Let's see if there's any markets where you can buy it. PancakeSwap, BKEX. What's the news, if anything, on it? Nope, nothing really about it. Overview, real quickly. Read more. Yep, I had looked at HODL before. Community-driven DeFi project built on this. HODL works on autonomous frictionless yield farming, liquidity generation pool. Simply hold right here. Yeah, simply hold HODL. Say that really fast. Tokens in your wallet, and you'll get more. In addition to this, you will also earn daily rewards. Okay. Yep. HODL is programmed to reward holders. It does this by applying 10x transactions. Well, you guys know that I'm a fan of buy and hold. Okay. So should you put a little bit of money into HODL? Sure. Why not? Right. And it has gone up. Let's look at 7 days. Classic. I mean, and right now it's cheap compared to kind of where we've been at, right? I mean, it's traded up a little bit higher and come back down. So yeah, I mean, at these price levels, with their it's just kind of like you buy and you hold, you get rewarded. That's at least at a high level how I understand it works. Why not, right? And but again, I think that this is one that you could put 20, 30 bucks or something, 50 bucks in, and just have it out there, and it's kind of working for you, and at these prices you can get a ton of tokens. So that's HODL. Did that one. Okay. Let me look at the chat real quickly. Rick said HODL is trashed. All right. HODL sounds like a pyramid scheme. All right. I haven't dug too far into HODL, guys. I mean, as far as their use case, just kind of buy and hold, it could definitely be that. I'm not saying it isn't. So Bonfire, Nicole, I've looked at Bonfire before. Let me look. I'll look at them. I got a few in front of Bonfire, but I will look at them, Nicole. Okay. Thanks, Troy. I appreciate it. Clint, thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Jack Lee, what is PinkPanda? We just covered that. Okay, cool. I didn't look at the graph. I apologize for Pink, but PinkPanda got me with the whole cancer relation thing. That's what got that. I already talked about Cardano, so I appreciate that. I'm a huge fan of Cardano, so there you go. Baby Dogecoin, that was one that somebody asked earlier, so let's get to that one. Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge. It's got a cute little icon on it. All right, it's up 27% in the last 24 hours, ranked 2599 out of 10,200 plus. 7 day. What's all time? When did this go live? All right. 7 day. Classic dip. Okay. Spiked up. Market. Where do you buy it? Pancake swap. That's what I figured. No problem. Got it. Cool. Volume down. All right. Where is the white paper or the website? What are we doing here? Earn coins and rescue dogs. All right. Baby Doge has learned a few tricks and lessons from them. For Dogecoin, for birthday, Baby Doge seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved. Set slippage to 12. Yep. Okay. Buy now. Copy that. Is hyper deflationary with an integrated smart. Okay. Where are tokenomics? The birth. Communities first and foremost. Help protect Baby Doge. Is not only cuter. Baby Doge is not only 1,000% cuter, but every transaction on the network donates a portion to charities chosen by the community to help rescue homeless dogs. A lot of these new meme coins, not a bad thing, are coming out with a charitable aspect, kind of like, and specifically related to kind of helping pet charities. 5% is redirected sent to pay up. Liquidity pools, 20% of supply is burned. Okay. Where are there? They are. Okay. So 420 quadrillion, 300 quadrillion burning with each text. What is the use case? What does it do? It's all about how to buy it. Is there a use case? Probably not. It's just buy it and you feel good about owning it, I'm assuming. Do they have their own? Oh, they have their own exchange? That's kind of cool. All right. I mean, here's the thing. The coins like this, I'm not slamming Baby Doge, right? Okay, so coins like this, if you want to throw $20, $30, $40 at it, and it's kind of like, you're basically kind of like, hey, I'm just going to kind of see I'm going to put this on it, and maybe one day it'll pop. I think there's a lot of these coming out. I'm not slamming Baby Doge. but it's basically building on the whole meme coin. It's building on Doge, obviously, and riding that. It has that charitable aspect to it, things like that. That's kind of how I view some of these, you know, like some of the knockoffs of Shiba that have come out, like Sanshu and Jindu and all, some of the others. You know, I think that, here's the thing. I'm going to go on record. I think that everybody should have a few meme coins in their wallet. I do. Okay. And kind of some of those, because the thing of it is that you never really know when one of them is going to pop. All right. So that's my opinion on Baby Doge. It may not be as deep as you want, but from what I saw, it's a pretty straightforward, unless I missed something. Okay. Lee, what's up, Austin? Always watch your vids. Thank you for supporting the community. Lee, thank you for the super chat. I greatly appreciate it, Lee. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I appreciate you guys supporting me. So thank you so much. All right, guys, let me see here. Cardano ADA, huge fan from Egypt. Wow. How many? There's some more chats coming in. Okay. Essence of growing, thoughts on where SHIB developers might be publishing new code rather than GitHub. I hear SHIB as an internet thing since no, I do not have any thoughts on that. Haven't really seen anything around that. This is like where they're publishing the code. I don't know anything beyond what you guys already know. Okay, so you know, I'll shoot straight with you. I don't know. So Dushko, will market go up or crash again? What do you think? I think so. Dushko, I'm saying your name right. If I'm not, I apologize. Do I think the market's going to go up or crash? I think that the market right now is absolutely rallying, but I always want you guys to approach with a little bit of protect yourself scenario. We got a ton of shorts going against Bitcoin right now, the most that I've ever seen in the last year. Okay, go over to datamish.com and look at this. 180 days back. Look at the red line, the shorts, and then they spiked around May, right? Look at 360 days. We had a spike back in late 2020 up to about 10,000, and Bitcoin went down. Okay, look at these red lines. The red line, we've never had in the last 360 days. We've never had 19,000 short selling positions on Bitcoin. What does that mean? Right now, Bitcoin is going into the face of that. And Bitcoin is rallying in light of the most short selling positions that have been in here in a year. And I got no reason why. I thought, I'm not spreading fiat FUD or doom and gloom. I was fully, when I saw this number spike, guys, and I've said this on videos, when I saw this number spike go up, this red line spike, I'm like, oh, holy hell, we're about to drop below 30,000. And that did not happen. Okay, so yeah, so it's kind of crazy, and I think that Bitcoin is rallying despite all this short pressure on it, and the overall market is up. Look at this, the overall market's coming back. Look at this. You guys know this has not been in the green. 24-hour column. Look at this. Everything's coming back. We will see as we continue to roll along. No, I do not invest in Baby Doge. Somebody had asked me about it. Sakir, what's the best trading app? Man, that's a hard one. Coinbase is a good one. I like Binance. I use Binance. Here's the thing. Usually you have to have a couple of them because some tokens are not, some coins are not on, you know, all of the exchanges, etc. Somebody's asking, do I think Shiba, now that Shibaswap is here, do I think Shiba will go to zero? I'm assuming, Mike, you're asking me, do I think we'll pick up another zero? I don't think it's going to drop. I think we're going to continue to go up because of what's going on with Shibaswap. Yeah, the whole El Salvador thing with Bitcoin, I think is influencing the positivity from a news cycle standpoint. I do think that. Okay. Somebody was asking about where they could buy Baby Doge. I'll show you how you find out, guys. This is one of the things. So if you go to CoinMarketCap and you type in whatever you're looking to buy, right, or you're interested in, so you go there like Baby Doge and you click on Market right here, PancakeSwap. So you can see any crypto you're looking at to buy. When you're on that page on CoinMarketCap, click on Market and it's going to show you every market where you can buy it. So there you go. All right. WH, what do you think about Solana? I like Solana. I haven't dug too far into it. A couple of buddy of mine really, really like Solana. Clay, when and or will Doge ever rise above their short sellers? Yes, I think it will. I think Doge will continue to rise. Doge is rising now. Okay. We've got to kind of get back to that, that 40, 50 cent range, guys. And you guys have seen me talk about Doge a million times in all my videos, guys. I think we got all those catalysts that are out there for us. And I think and by the way, we've got to get Bitcoin, Ethereum. When Bitcoin and Ethereum go up, Doge goes up. But you can see, look at TradingView. This is up by hour, by the way. 1 hour to 1 hour. Each candlestick's an hour. So look at this rate. We bounced back up, right? So there you go on that. All right. All right, let me see. We talked about baby Dogecoin. We talked about Ravencoin. FEG token. Let's talk about FEG. Somebody wanted me to talk about FEG earlier, and I need to look at FEG. Cards on the table. I've never looked at FEG, so I don't know what I'm going to see here. All right. FEG token ranked 2666, up 24%. Love that. I bet you I'm going to see the dip. Yep, the chart dip, and bouncing back up. Okay. So volume is down dramatically. Okay. Market, where can you buy FEG? Uniswap, Pancake, and the other Gate.io, the main ones here. All right, depending on where you're at in the world, right? Okay. Let's go. Let's check out their website. FEG token. Oh, they're checking my browser before accessing it. Oh, okay. They want to make sure I'm not doing something bad. See, feed every gorilla. Oh, that's what it means. Feed every gorilla. All right, cool. Ethereum burnt. Circulating. Wow. Here's what I love about this. Front and center. Market cap, burnt, circulating. I like that. Definitely digging that. FEG token is redesigning the way decentralized finance is structured. FEG token is focused on reshaping and evolving how DeFi works completely while delivering the most robust ecosystem. Okay, let me go back over here real quickly. Go back to overview. Sorry about that. Sorry I'm bouncing, guys. Hold on just a minute. Deflationary token with a mixed max circulating supply of 100 quadrillion. Each transaction a tax of 1%. Holders enhanced incentivize holders to HODL and decreasing the supply. Scarcity of token, the inversely proportional reduction constitutes supply and demand mono. Furthermore, there's no limit. Without burning limit. Here's what is FEG's use case? What does it do? What's the use case? What is FEG's use case? Somebody know? Let's see. I'm just looking over here. Hey, Jay. Hey, guys. Let me see. What's FEG track? Track your rewards. FEG token of hyper went down to my build to succeed. About a decent translate. Okay. I'll print transaction network. Okay. I read that. Get that. Sorry if you guys hear the dogs. Something's going on. Oh, somebody was walking by the house. There you go. And I have two little Australian shepherds, and they were walking by the house. So FEG wrapper. What is that? FEG faucet roadmap documents and audit. Do y'all want me to do a video on FEG? I need more time to dig into this. Do y'all want me to do a video? Yes or no? Drop in the chat. Let me know if you want me to do a video on FEG. Maybe I'll do a video. I need more time to dig into this one. I'm not really seeing what I want to see. Drop in the chat. Let me know if y'all want me to do a FEG video, and if I get enough, I might do it. Okay. All right. I'm gonna do a couple more, guys. I'm gonna do two more, and then I'll open it up to Q&A, and I'm just gonna take your questions. Okay. All right. Let me do AMP. I haven't done. Let me look at AMP. Let's get rid of that. That. Got a couple of yeses. All right. AMP. Top 100, 46. Okay. 5 cents, 5.974. Volume 24, 24-hour highs and lows, 55, 61. I'm just reading. Austin token, thoughts on Wave, Wise, Matador, Matic. All right, let me do this real quickly. I'm about to end on this one probably, guys. So let me see. Market, AMP, you can get it on Coinbase, Gemini. All right, cool. Pretty much everywhere. All right, overview. Let me do this. Read more. Okay. Hold on just a minute, guys. Let me read this real quick. AMP is described as a new digital collateral token offering instant verifiable assurances for any kind of value. Okay, there's your use case. Networks like Flexa can quickly and reversibly secure transfers for a wide variety. All right, cool. AMP claims to offer a straightforward versatile interface. Where collateral petitions, collateral managers, smart contracts, and like AMP supports a wide variety of use cases. What are the tokenomics? Let me look real quickly here. Let's take money and provides you since like USD and verify the reworld can stake. Okay. Stake, send, repeat. I like what I see. I'm gonna have to dig into this one a little bit more, guys, but somebody asked me about AMP. I like what I see. I'm gonna dig into this one more. This one might be, this one's kind of like similar to T-Fuel. Okay. All right, guys. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna focus. You're gonna see me on video. I'm looking over here. And I'm looking at the chat, and I'm just gonna, so we've been going for an hour and 16 minutes. Wow, 450 concurrent views is crazy. All right, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start taking some questions, and so I realize they're gonna come in. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna look at any more cryptos like individual ones, but you know, like if you drop in and I know about it, I'll tell you if I know and I'll give you my opinion, all right? And then we can just kind of, this is kind of a Q&A, wrap up with a Q&A, okay? So yeah, let me do this. All right. Let's see, so yeah. Samuel says, how do you check the use case? Samuel, that's a very, very good question, okay? And a lot of, like you saw when I was looking at AMP and I was reading, so the use case, like basically the use case is what does it do, right? And I'm always looking for what the use case is. And like what I like about AMP is like, it's like, boom, right here. Here's your use case. That's what it does. And, you know, with a lot of meme coins, there's really not a use case. You know, like Baby Doge, there really wasn't a use case. It was like, you know, you kind of buy and you kind of hold and you buy it because you think we're cute and we're cool. Okay? But I'm always, you know, and here's the thing. I kind of look at crypto, there's like two different worlds. There's like stable coins like Cardano and Polygon and Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they're all, you know, they're all built to do very specific things. And then there's kind of meme coins, right? Like Dogecoin and Shiba and things like that have become these additional types of crypto that their use cases become their meme quality and the communities that build around them. Okay. And then you kind of got this additional new scenario coming up that's these kind of, you know, where like there's a bunch of Shiba Inu knockoff coins that came out, you know, Jindu Inu and Kishu Inu, and I'm not slamming any of those. And so you kind of got those, right? You baby Dogecoin. And so you always need to look, when you're looking at a crypto, guys, just, you know, ask yourself, what is it? What does it do? What are the tokenomics? And what do you think? And do you like it? And do some due diligence around it. Look at, you know, circulation and stuff like that. A lot of them, they won't, it's hard to get it's hard to find out the tokenomics around them. And I don't like that. I don't want them to put it front and center. Let me see it. Let me see the use case. Let me see the tokenomics, and so that I can digest it. So that was a good question. Nutsack, you're back, man. I got a super chat, and I have to say it, right? Nutsack has the best screen name on the planet. Nutsack. Nutsack 909. Thanks for the super chat, by the way. You should take a look into 1inch balance. Have been making a healthy profit. I'm here for the long run. Cool. 1inch. And that's, so I'm giving you guys, okay, since you gave me a super chat, Nutsack, I think you guys are getting a crack out of me saying Nutsack, right? All right, I'll look at that one. I promise. Nutsack, I'll look at 1inch. Let me look at that right now. I'm going to look at that right now. I said I wouldn't take any more, but he sent me a super chat. He threw a couple bucks at me. Let me look at 1inch. All right. Is it on? I'm hoping that it's on Coin Market. 1inch. There it is. All right, cool. All right, here we go. This is coming in from Nutsack. I'm sorry, that's funny. It's making me laugh. You gotta laugh, right? You gotta laugh. He's got the best screen name on the planet. 1 inch, $3, up 11%. It's in the top, almost in the top 100. Let's see. Well, I'm sorry. Sean, tokenomics for Porn Rocket is simple. It'll be currency and people will buy it, so the price will go up. Yeah, there you go. So tokenomics around the porno tokens is pretty straightforward, guys. It's tokens to be used on the porno sites. All right. Anyway, back to 1 inch. Here we go. So 1inch.io. What is this? The 1 inch network uses like decentralized protocols with synergy enables the most lucrative, fast, and protected operations. Before we do that, let me go here. By the way, when you're on CoinMarket, if you scroll down to read more right here, it'll give you kind of a overall deal here. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. Funding, Binance. Okay. All right. Nutsack, I'm looking at it. I've just showed it to everybody here. You guys take a look at 1 inch. I don't have time to dig into it, but everybody write down 1 inch. That's the symbol, 1 inch, and you guys go check it out. Might be a good one. And Nutsack said, he said he's been making a healthy profit. I'm here for the long run. So thank you, Nutsack. I'm passing this along to you guys. That this may be one you guys might want to look at. All right. Charles, great to see your channel growth. Thank you, Charles. Gary, thanks. Austin, thank you, Gary. Don Adams, you really put Shiba in front of Doge. No, I didn't say that, Don. I didn't say I put Shiba in front of Doge. I didn't say that. I said that Doge and Shiba are, I like them for their respective, they're similar yet different, right? They're both meme coins, etc. I mean, Shibaswap and all that is going to be vastly different than Doge. Doge doesn't have its own DEX, right? So if all that comes to fruition, man, Shiba could be bigger than Doge one day. And Doge Army, don't kill me for that statement. I'm just saying out loud, right? So I think this is one of those deals where they're just different, okay? And they're meme coins, but they're different type. Shiba started off as a meme coin, but with the exchange and everything coming, that could be big. And again, Doge is, I think, moved out of the realm of meme coins. I've even gone on record saying I don't even like the word meme. But Doge, I think, is kind of moving out of that as well, and it's becoming one of the pillars of crypto because, the media loves them and all that kind of stuff. All right. Okay, so let me see here. Tokenomics, I already said that. Steve from Scotland, do you see Shiba going to 1 cent? Steve, Shiba going to 1 cent. It's going to take a long time for it to get there, and a lot of catalysts have to happen. If you look at SHIB right now, I mean, we're in the millionth spot. We have to get all the way to here. Somebody asked me for my kind of prediction earlier. I think our first goal is to get to here. Remember, our all-time high, guys, has been when there's been a 3 sitting in the 100,000 spot right here. Okay, and so we got to get back to that. And then go up from there and then, pick up a couple of zeros. I think if Shibaswap, when it goes live, I think we I think we move up at least to that zero right there. Okay. And this right here, this zero is 1 cent. Okay. So this is the 100,000. This is the 10,000. This would be, 100,000th of a dollar. Right. And I think we can, we want to get to here. If we get to here, like I did a video the other day, if you put $500 into Shiba at when it was down in the 3 or 4s, and if you got to a penny, that $500 would make you like $740,000. It was absolutely insane. But I also showed you that if we got to this, where this was where there's a 1 here, that was going to get you like $74,000 off of a $500 investment. And I want to pause and tell you guys, I get it. That's why these brand new altcoins, these brand new coins like Shiba and Baby Doge and all these and SafeMoon and all these, I want you guys to know that I get it. And I think it's okay for you to have these, but don't put money into it that you can't afford to lose. Don't put your rent money, your kids' college fund, etc. Right? Don't put your electric payment into them. Okay? I know you guys are like, we get it, Austin, but I genuinely give a damn about you guys. Okay? And so, but I get that I get the appeal. Right? So put 20, 50, 100 bucks or more if you can afford it, and just sit back and see if that ship comes in, right? Because I mean, these type of coins have been compared to lottery tickets. Frankly, I think they're better than a lottery ticket. I do, because lottery ticket numbers are horrible. All right, moving on. So Oscar said SafeMoon has a lot coming out. Thanks for that, Oscar. I appreciate you on that. I talked about SafeMoon earlier. I don't know if you were here. I haven't looked at SafeMoon in a couple of weeks, but I'm going to do a SafeMoon video for you guys. I got it written down. This has been my notepad from but there's like all scratches everywhere. I'm going to do a SafeMoon video for you guys. I'm going to dig into it. Volume perfect. Thank you for that, guys. Appreciate that. I got a new microphone, so I think it's going to be a better one even for my videos. Look into Anchor. I haven't looked at that. If I have time, guys, I'll look into Anchor. Harmony One. I've heard some good things about Harmony One. I'm looking at that one, so that one I'm going to look at as well. We're up at I've been here an hour and 30 minutes. It's cool. 570 viewers on live right now with us. That's pretty. Thank you again for you guys. All your support. I genuinely appreciate you guys. Steve, let's see. I have to look over here, guys. I know you see me looking this way, but this is where my chat is over here. Tony, don't forget to sign your signature Shiba to Robin. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I've done it. I just did it on a different computer. I have my MacBook. I did. Everybody go sign the petition over on change.org for Shiba to be listed on Robinhood. Go check that out. Okay. Kevin, opinion on Ergo. I don't know, Kevin. I'll look it up. If I have time before we go, I'll look at Ergo. Hey, I made a rhyme there. Okay. Essence of growing. Stake your SHIB for long-term residual income. That's my strategy. Yeah, absolutely, guys. When Swap comes out, stake your SHIB, man. I got people in my private Discord group that are gonna stake big time. Doge and SHIB. Get to crypto says, Austin, can you do a video over Porn Rocket? This coin is seriously going to be big. I don't know. Here's the thing, guys. I like to keep it G-rated, right? And we already went over to Porn Rocket, and there was some interesting artwork on Porn Rocket. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube, so I will tell you guys. Here's what I would say for those of you guys who are listening. Okay, I think that there's a certain place. However you feel about porn, put that aside. I'm talking about the business side of this because Porn Rocket came up. We looked at it earlier. Talking about use case. There's 2 or 3 or 4. I don't know how many there are now, but there's at least 2 that I know of. Porn Rocket and another one that's crypto built around porno and adult websites. The use case is very straightforward. Porno ain't going to go away. So those are not bad cryptos maybe to pick up unless you have a problem owning them because of porn, which I get. It's cool. That's got a real serious use case around it. So that's what I'm going to say. I'm not going to do a video on Porn Rocket because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube, guys. You guys can probably get me on that, all right? But thank you for the suggestion. Get to crypto. You got a good screen name. Get to crypto. Please do a vid on SPE one day. Save Planet Earth. Oh, okay. Save Planet Earth. Cool. Thanks for that, Moni. Why everything going back to red? No, everything's really not going off to red. I mean, if you look at kind of what's going on coin market, we're actually moving into the green. 24 hours. I'm looking at the 24-hour column, guys. 7 days in red because it's 7 days, but we're moving into the green on the 24-hour column. Okay, so yeah, I like what I'm seeing there. So we're good. Okay. Otoniel, hope I'm saying your name right. Thank you. I'm learning. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. XRP, please. I'm getting killed there. XRP, please. Yeah, XRP, man, with the whole SEC thing going around XRP, I think there's some serious hurdles there. I haven't looked at them in a while. I do own some XRP. I'm losing on them, and I'm kind of looking at them and whether or not I'm going to put them in my new portfolio for my Patreon members. But they've got the whole SEC lawsuit thing going on with Ripple and all that. Josh Dicker, Porn Rocket is the only coin that's actually a business. All right, I'll give you that. George, what'd you say? George, you've moved. How did Underdog go from a cent to 400K a share from entire and then back down? I have no idea. I don't know about that one. Somebody asked what mic did I get? I just got the Elgato Wave. I don't know if I can show you this. I don't know if you you guys can see this. Nope. I got the FiFine, F-I-F-I-N-E, FiFine on Amazon. It was like $50, $100 or something. It's a pretty good one. It's sitting on my desktop here. I used to have a snowball, and I got rid of it. JL, Shibaswap is still fake until official operation. Okay, that's cool. I give you credit for that, JL. Remember, many scammers promise you the whole universe to to empty your whole network. All right, that's fair. I'm always open to different opinions, guys. I'll give everybody fair shake. Sean, that's why I invested in it. PinkPanda, Lamas. Okay, thanks. Joel, how much do you make if you have 150 million when you hit 1 cent? Let me show you guys this. I showed y'all in a video. Let me show you this. Somebody was asking like how much you make if you buy it here, if you buy this crypto for here, and then and then you sell it over here. What was that? Stock. Stock. Here you go. Stock gains calculator. Where was the one I used? I dropped it in the video. All I did here was stock gains calculator, and let's see if this one's one right here. Oh yeah, this is it. Right here. There we go. Okay, cool. If you go to YouTube, I'm sorry, YouTube. If you go to Google, type in stock gains calculator and go here to stock calculator. Right here, it's goodcalculators.com. You go to there and you basically get rid of whatever this little thing is. Right here, you can figure out, you drop in the number of coins that you own, what you paid for them, what you want to sell them for, and I get rid of this buy commission, sell commission, and it's going to tell you, and then hit calculate, and it's going to give you all your profit here. I've done a couple of those videos, so there you go. Somebody was asking about how you calculate, how you find. There you go. Goodcalculators.com. Go check it out. That was Joel. Joel, there you go. Go check it. There you go, Joel. Interesting artwork. Yeah, it had the Porn Rocket website had interesting artwork. Somebody's messing with me about that. That's funny. All right, hold on. I'm trying to read all these guys. I'll get to your comment, I promise. We've been on 1 hour and 31. That's pretty cool. Jawan Sanders, new to the channel. Are you working towards giving us content full time? We need you on your... yeah, I mean, I'm trying to do... So, guys, what I try to do is give you at least 2 or 3 videos a day. My channel was built off of my Dogecoin and my Shiba videos, and I every now and then I drop in Cardano and some of the other videos, and I drop in like my top cryptos for like the month of June. I'm constantly kind of trying to test new video ideas. As far as like, I'll give you guys a little peek behind the curtain. Is that whenever I'm going to make a video, there's got to be a lot of interest in that video, so that like meaning people want to see it, right? And you'd be surprised like. You'd think a lot of people would want to see videos on like Cardano. Well, my Cardano videos get about 5,000-6,000 views, which is good. But my Dogecoin and Shiba videos get a lot more, which shows you interest. And so, but I'm always looking to build additional audience members with those additional videos. And so I will always do videos. Number one, I'm always here, even when I'm on vacation. And number two, I'm gonna start doing live streams more, and probably at least maybe one a day or one every other day, because I dig the interaction. Right, this is cool. And we have 600 viewers on here right now. That's crazy. Okay, so there you go. So Juan, I'm here to stay. I'm not going anywhere. Where was that? I have to go back up because it's moved. I'm looking at the chat, guys. That's why I'm looking over here. Okay. When SNL, so Ryan said when SNL was on Uphold, crashed, I couldn't sell, got to stick to it instead. Their platform crashed. They said sorry. Oh, I got you. Absolutely love your videos and love the fact you don't clickbait. Thank you, Scale Dog. I appreciate you, man. Okay, yeah. Kevin dropped in another porn-related one, and I'm not gonna say it. Kevin, you're laughing. You probably want me to say it. I'm not gonna say it. This is a G-rated family channel. For those of you guys, go to CoinMarketCap and start searching around. You can find all the adult cryptos. I can't believe we've been talking about adult crypto all or not. That's funny. Everybody's jumping in on the porn rocket. Ryan, we need lawsuits on those platforms crashing and costing people money. Yeah, it really sucks. I had some members that are in my Discord. That crypto.com was down. They can't move money. They can't get stuff. It's like, yeah, I feel you. John Lee, I've already talked about the possibility of Shiba hitting. I've had some chats, some super chats. Is Bitcoin's dump? Is Ghost Face token a scam? Did I have another? Oh, I apologize, Louise. I apologize. I didn't see your super chat. Louise Galigos. I hope I'm saying your name right, Louise. If I'm not, I apologize. Gave me a super chat. Thank you. Number one. Okay. So he says, there's been so much good news about Doge. What do you think the price would be if the market wasn't down, or do you think it has just lost its hype? All right. So Louise is asking me about Doge. Sent me a super chat. So thanks. Appreciate that. There's been so much good news about Doge. What do you think the price would be if the market wasn't down, or do you think it has just lost its hype? Here's what's going on with Doge. Okay. Luis, here's what's going on with Doge. Is that Doge is directly tied to Bitcoin and Ethereum, bottom line, okay? And so when Bitcoin and Ethereum have been down in the last 4, 5, 6+ days because Bitcoin was being shorted and all that stuff, right? Well, that's why Doge was down. All right, number one. Number two, we don't have a lot of positive catalysts right now for Doge. We had the whole Coinbase thing. And Coinbase, when they came out, they announced that it was going to be like 5, 6 weeks from now when they were going to bring Doge on. Well, I don't mean this in a bad way, but they kind of pulled a fast one on it. They got Dogecoin onto the platform faster and didn't release any press releases saying, "Hey, we're almost there." They went ahead and did it, and so that catalyst really we didn't get the benefit of that catalyst. And it takes a lot. It takes catalyst, positive things, sometimes to make a crypto move. And Dogecoin moves off of positive momentum and positive news. All right. So right now, Doge is not moving a lot because there hasn't been a lot of positive movement or momentum in the entire market, right? So now that Bitcoin and Ethereum are starting to come back, here's what's going to happen. The media is going to start talking about the fact that there's going to be there's going to be news articles on the internet. You watch, in the next couple of days, they're going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum and Dogecoin have rallied back and it's all good and everything is wonderful, blah, blah, blah. Guess what's going to happen? That's going to bring the retail investors back in, because the average retail investors is like, outside of you guys, y'all are here on YouTube, you're here with me live, you're paying attention. There's a lot of retail money out there that they're not paying attention, and they see that article and they go, "Oh yeah, man, that Doge thing, and it's back, it's hot right now. Boom, I'm going to go jump on it." Okay, Doge is going to start moving back up as long as Bitcoin and Ethereum move up, and we get maybe some tweets from Elon and all that kind of stuff. Love Elon, hate Elon, however you feel about him. His tweets move markets. It moves them. It does. That's how we're going to move back up. That's my answer, Lewis. There you go, buddy. Thanks for the super chat, man. We had another one. Where was it? Bitcoin's dumb. That's his username. You guys got some great usernames, by the way. Is Ghostface token a scam? All right. I don't know. Never heard of Ghostface token. Let's go look at it. Thanks for the super chat, by the way. All right. Ghostface. Where's Ghostface? Ghost. Is it over on CoinGecko? Ghostface. There it is. So it's on CoinGecko. All right, here we go. Okay. It's up 23%. What is this? Markets, where can I buy it? Okay, I can buy it on Pancake. Got it. Overview. What's the overview? Give me an overview. There we go. Okay. Hold on a minute. I got to read this, guys, real quick. Completely decentralized. All decision making. Okay. No team tokens. Ghostface. So being able to collect BNB while holding Ghostface. Okay. So let me go look at the website. Hold on. Go on here. This was a super chat, guys. So I'm looking. Hold Ghostface and get rewarded in BNB on every transaction. So it's very similar to HODL. They want you to buy it and you hold it and you get rewarded. Yep. Okay. 4% pre-sale allocation. Is it a scam? I don't have enough information to tell you about that to tell you whether or not it is. Let me do this. Ghostface token scam. Go see. Reddit. There's a Reddit forum. YouTube. I don't know. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Bitcoin's dump. That's his username. I have to say the username. I'm not liking what I'm seeing. Don't put money in you couldn't afford to lose. I'm sure at those price points though. I'm sure you could probably about 20, 50 bucks. It's similar to HODL, kind of a buy and hold scenario, and you get rewards. I don't have enough information to tell you. I'm just shooting straight with you. Okay. Don't bet the farm. Okay, and that's what I'm saying. So it could be. We'll have to kind of wait and see on these HODLs and like Ghostface. I've never heard of this before. But the whole buy and hold and you get rewards thing is another kind of new kind of altcoin that's kind of evolving and coming out and things like that. So I would tell you that right now I'm not hugely impressed with it. Here's the thing, guys. I like to have my 8 or 9, 10 stable coins, and then every now and then I like to dabble in an altcoin. But when I'm dabbling in an altcoin, like a new one, I like to see kind of a use case, or like, frankly with PinkPanda, the whole cancer charity thing. There was another one earlier that came up related to the military. I've seen a couple of those around where there's kind of direct corollaries to helping the military. Helping military vets and things like that. I like tokens that have a charitable aspect to them. That's what I would say. Hopefully, I don't know if that answers your question, man. Thank you for the super chat. Truly appreciate you for that. It might be. Okay? It might be a scam. All right. So 700 live. Crazy. It's crazy. Thank you guys for your support. Genuinely. Pause for commercial. If you don't know it, I got a Patreon group, private group. Check the link below if you want to join. If you want to get more of me, if you like what you're seeing, first time you see me live, I'll shoot straight with you. If I don't know, I'll help you find out. Right. So I've got a whole private Discord. I'm building a portfolio over there. Go check it out if that's something you care about over there. So let's see. Did we have another super chat down here? We did. Anthony, what'd you say? Where are you? Anthony, I love listening to your videos. You do not hyper downplay. You tell the truth. Thank you, Anthony. I appreciate that. I don't hype. I don't pull any punches. If I don't know the answer, I'm going to tell you I don't know the answer, but I'm going to find out. I don't claim to know everything about crypto. I'm a 30-year stock guy. You guys know me that I'm a 30-year stock guy. I've been in crypto now for a little bit, probably about 6, 7, 8 plus months, but I went full in, researched, just got in, kind of brought my tenacity with the whole stock market thing in. And my goal was real simple, was to help bring kind of this non-hypey voice to crypto on YouTube. I haven't had a drink yet. I'm having a drink. This is like water. To bring that voice to YouTube. And I hope that I'm succeeding in that. And I genuinely appreciate you guys giving me a voice. Thank you for supporting the channel, truly. Thank you for the super chat, by the way. There was another one. Who is it? Isaiah. Hope I'm saying your name right, Isaiah. How do I feel about SafeMoon Cash? That was one, guys, Isaiah, that popped up. I was looking for SafeMoon, and I found SafeMoon Cash. I don't know. Let me look at this real quickly. So since you sent me a super chat, let me look at this real quick. So hold on a minute, guys. Let me look at the SafeMoon Cash thing. Leading beat cryptocurrency project tokenomics run and owned by its own community. So there was community opinion, tokenomics, who we are, short a rug-proof ownership, renounced community-driven project, to reach daily series. Okay, so they're going straight at SafeMoon, and they're basically saying it's 100% community, no rug pull, no nothing. Stealth launched by members of the BSC community, market cap of $4 billion. Wow. What is that? 29 to read more. Rug proof ownership renounced, community driven project. Okay. Okay. Buy it, bog, buy it. White paper. I'm not gonna dig too deep in here. Here's what I like what I'm saying. When I land on when I click on their link and I look at their site, I'm always looking for like up front and center tokenomics. What do they do? Use case, all those kind of things. I'm always looking for like, are they just boom right in your face? And I'm pretty vocal about the fact that there's the things I don't like about SHIB, and I own SHIB and I like SHIB for different reasons. But I wish SHIB was more. I wish we knew the dev team and all that kind of stuff, right? And all that. But But that's SHIB. I'm not slamming SHIB. You know I'm not. But I don't want to buy it. Sorry about that. I don't want to buy it. White paper. So I like that they're pretty much up front here. Mission statement, tokenomics. I'm not going to read all this, guys. I'm not. Okay. I like. Here's the thing, Isaiah. I don't know what I feel yet. Appreciate the super chat. Thank you. I like that they're up front and center. If you're putting money into them, guys, or you're going to put some money into SMC, SafeMoon chat, don't put into what you can't afford to lose. But they are running up. They've got a little bit of run up here going on. Probably not a bad speculative coin. So maybe 50 bucks, 100 bucks or something like that, or whatever you can afford. But again, I'm not telling you to buy it, right? This is not investment advice, blah, blah, blah. Just saying. Give it a shot. I like that they're up front and center. I'll tell you that. Okay. All right. So thanks for the super chat, by the way.
Did the stream work?
Yeah, my son just walked in and asked me if the stream worked. Yes, I'm on.
Is anybody watching?
Yeah, I've got like a bunch of people watching. Thank you. My son is all interested in that I'm streaming, and he's asking me if it worked. That's funny. Okay. Nutsack gave me another super chat. Thank you, man. Nutsack, I appreciate you, man. Okay, let's see. And I think you just like me saying your name, Nutsack. And hopefully I won't get in trouble from YouTube about that. Where to buy SHIB, crypto.com, things like that. Porn is $1 billion industry, Chris said. Yeah, it is. Big, big, big. Sean Dowie, I don't watch porn, but I'm no dummy. This token will take off. The overall theme tonight has been porn tokens. It's all over the place, man. This has been funny. All right. All right. Take on Polygon. Love Polygon. Whoever asked me that. VPN. Love Polygon. Keeping it real. Can you talk about Gauge? I can't answer every comment, guys. I apologize, but I'm just scrolling through here. Thanks for doing what you're doing. I appreciate you. Revolt token. Yeah, I can't get to. I'm just gonna answer a couple more questions, guys. We're coming up on 2 hours. I'm gonna end it at about 2 hours. We got about 15 more minutes. Henry's asking me, hello, have you ever bought and sold crypto all day for profit? I would like to see you do this live. Henry, I am not a day trader. Okay, here's the thing. I'm a buyer and I hold and I sell when I buy it. When I buy a crypto, with the day I buy it, I'm already kind of calculating what my exit price is. So if I buy, let's just go over here. Let's say if I was going to buy Cardano right today, okay? Say I buy it for $1.56. So then the day I buy it, how much am I going to buy? How much am I going to put into it? Say $500, whatever the number is, okay? I will then buy it, and I will the day I buy it, I will set an exit price. I say, okay, I want to buy it, and I'm going to hold it till it hits $2 or it gives me a 45% return or something like that. Because that's kind of similar how I trade stocks. So it's kind of how I trade crypto. I'm not a day trader, okay? And I applaud day traders and swing traders because I'm not built that way. How they do it, buying on the dips and the incremental dips and selling and all those things. Man, I'm just not built that way. So no, I'm not a day trader, and you'll never see me do it. It's not who I am. So there you go. Practical Press says SMC is Team EMAs are all great. Cool. All right. So somebody chimed in and said SafeMoon Cash does their Team AMAs. They're Ask Me Anythings are great. All right. Awesome. I love that. I'm reading these guys. Hold on just a minute. Wow, I've had a couple of new super chats come in. Here we go. What do I think about Okta? And please show P Rocket chart. It is unbelievable. Practical Press. All right, hold on just a minute. 2 super chats. Thanks. Here we go. So thank you. Nice Guy and Practical Press. Just got 2 super chats. Hold on. So Okta. Let me write that down. Okta and what is it? P Rocket. Okay. All right, guys, we got two super chats come in, so I got to go check those out. Here we go. Octa. Octa. Octans, there they are. All right, ranked 5,500 and no, 5,454. Sorry, can't talk today. 7 day, 1 month. All right, 7 day. Let's see what we got here. There's your classic dip. Okay, coming back up, spiking up. Okay, what is the overview? What do these guys do? Octans is a smart contract driven by the community. They're thinking of its holders. Octa uses a reward protocol. Holders are rewarded with more Octas simply by holding transactions. Okay. Locked to liquidity forever, resulting in less circulating Octa, increasing the price and value of each. All right, so it burns there. Let's see, where's the website? Octa swap. Okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm looking. 64,000 holders, market cap 22 million, 543,000 burned. Live chart. We're up 6%. All right. Community wallet. That's pretty cool. Based on popular demand, we've opened a donation wallet. Will help us refuel the ship and get us there sooner. Stablecoin donations via the address. Okay, that's fine. Protocol. Reward to holders. Every Octa transaction is subject to an 8% tax. 4% is locked to liquidity. Liquidity locked. Deflationary. Yep. Okay. 50% were burned. All right. Tokenomics. Total supply. Initial burn. Ownership. Renounced. All right. The ownership was renounced. Is the dev team out in front and center? Do we know who created it? What created it? I like when I see the dev. Staking yield formula liquidity. Okay. I mean, as far as right now, what I'm seeing, nice guy, 77450. I like what I'm seeing. I mean, you know, I haven't done any kind of a major dig into this. I'm not seeing the dev team, you know, like who created it. I do like to know who creates it. At least it's not in their white paper. Okay. Headquarters, roadmap. I don't like that the dev team's not showing, unless I'm missing it somewhere. Project launch, CoinGecko. Oh, I didn't look at that. Where can you get it at? Market. Pancake. Okay, you can get it on Pancake Swap right now. Okay, that's cool. That's fine. I think it's another B. You know, right now it looks like it's kind of a buy and hold scenario. Unless I'm missing the use case, it's kind of a buy and hold. You get rewarded, things like that. Unless I'm missing it, I apologize. Don't put money into it you can't afford to lose. I wish there was a little bit more transparency, you know, with dev team, things like that. I'm kind of leaning more and more when these new ICOs are coming out, these new coins are coming out. I like to know who's behind them. Okay. I mean, like, you know, we had earlier SafeMoon Cash, you know, they're the teams out in front and center. They do AMAs, things like that. All right. So thanks for the super chat, by the way. Practical Press wanted me to show P Rocket. Okay. Is it over on CoinGecko? Where is that at? Drop in the ticker for P Rocket. Did you say it right? P Rocket chart. Please show P Rocket chart. I am trying to show P Rocket chart. Where's P Rocket? CoinMarketCap. Let me do a search for. It's not Porn Rocket. We already did that. Are you trying to tell me to show Porn Rocket? Is that what you're saying, Practical Press? I already showed it, didn't I? All right, we'll show if that's what you're asking me. Drop in the chat below. I apologize. The chart, 7 day. We're back onto the porn thing. I'm assuming this is what you're asking me. I can't find a chart for P Rocket unless it's Porn Rocket, unless that's what you're showing me. Okay. All right. So come back to me, Practical Press. Drop in the chat below. You don't have to send me another super chat. Hopefully I'll see it and I can because I'm not sure. I can't find P Rocket. If you're asking me to show Porn Rocket chart, there's Porn Rocket's chart, and it's absolutely got a little bit of volatility. Yeah. All right. 7-day, but it's moving up. Okay. Nicholas just sent me $4.99 for super chat. Thank you, Nicholas. Appreciate you. Thank you, man. There's a $10 one here. Where is that at? There's this $10 super chat here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Anthony. Wow, Anthony, thank you for the super chat. Genuinely, thank you. Thank you for doing what you do. You are the best, my man. For your dads for life. Keep the info coming. Appreciate everything. I started investing crypto while in Afghanistan, hooked for the long hold. Anthony, were you over there in the military? I'm assuming you're in the military. If you are, genuinely, truly, thank you for your service, man. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Made me think of my dad, man. I'm about to cry. Okay. Got to pause for a second. All right. Let me have a drink here. And no, it's no alcohol. VPN of C Cardano and Poly long term. Are we on the same page? You bet we are. George said, what was that porn crypto that Musk was talking about? I didn't know he was talking about that. Austin is a swinger. Thanks. The super chat practical press. It when you do it, hit me up in the chat below, but do like 4 chats, like boom boom boom, and give me the ticker what you were trying to show me, because you did a super chat, and I don't think unless you want me to show Porn Rocket, which I just did, which we've talked about all night. If there's a different one that you want me to look at, I looked up the ticker and I couldn't find it. So hit me like four chats, like boom 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 boom, and tell me which one you were wanting me to do. All right. Coinbase is giving free AMP. Got some yesterday. I heard about that. Yep. Somebody asked me how much total do I have in crypto. All in, I've got a little bit under 10 grand all in, and I'm going to start putting in the, well, it was actually worth more than that, and it's down, so that's a whole other discussion. But that's kind of what it's valued at. But I'm going to, on my, on the portfolio I'm going to be doing for my members over my Patreon group, guys, I'm going to be putting in at least couple $2,000-$3,000, probably. I'm not sure what the number is. At least $1,000 to maybe 3,000 or 4,000 a month is what I'm going to be adding into my overall crypto portfolio over there, and growing that and showing when I buy and when I sell and why I'm doing and all that kind of stuff. I'll tell you guys up front, I'm not like the end all be all of crypto, guys out there. I'm gonna make mistakes, right? But I'm gonna be talking to you guys about the mistakes I make, and things like that. So just FYI, so that's what I got going on there. Most of my money is in traditional stocks, but I plan to really ramp up my crypto holdings. Continue to go bigger in Bitcoin and Ethereum, bigger in Cardano and Polygon. Those are my biggies, and that I'm really gonna move into. I'm going to have a certain number that I'm going to do every month where I'm going to allocate for speculative, what I call speculative coins, kind of like the SafeMoons, the kind of the speculative stuff. I'm going to start setting aside a certain amount every month to do that as well. Okay. I saw a couple of big things come through here. So Anthony already got you. Thank you for that, brother. Nicholas. Vin Lee. Yep. I got to see you, Vin. Hold on. I'm going to get to you. Make sure I haven't skipped over anything. Vin Lee has sent me a super chat. Thank you, by the way. What do I think about Kishu? All right. I was wondering when we would get to Kishu Inu. I've looked at them before. Okay, let me get rid of this. Hold on just a minute, guys. Kishu. Okay, so I went about a while ago and I looked at their website. Hold on, let me make sure. I've got Vin. I got you. So hold on just a minute. I've got to make sure I got another super chat here. Okay, I see that super chat. Okay, cool. Vin, here we go. Okay. So Kishu. So I think Kishu, I believe, was the first real kind of new token right after Shiba Inu hit. Okay, and I did go look at their site. I haven't done a video on them. I haven't looked at them since. Okay, so what I like about Kishu, little meme, big dream. Up front, they're like, hey, we're a meme coin. That is what we are. Up front, tokenomics. They give you everything up front, you know, the reward, the supply, and things like that. So the holders, the market cap, current price, all that kind of stuff. So I like that they are very transparent in that regard. They've got, if I'm correct, they absolutely have their own exchange, which is darn cool. And again, guys, I haven't looked at them in 2 weeks or however long more. So I'm just doing them. This is me live talking about them. Okay. I like that they have their own decks. I mean, that's really, really cool. And they've got everything, you know, there's transparency. They're very upfront and center. And on their website, I believe you have to, what was it? You have to kind of, their website's weird. Oh, there it is. So once you get to this part, when you start scrolling down with your mouse, they start showing you phase 1. I like this. Phase 1, phase 2, they show you everything that they're showing. This is like what I looked at earlier. Okay. So very, very, kind of a very systematic laid out, kind of everything in progress, utility, the NFT, you know, this is another thing I do like this about Kishu. Their utilities front and center, NFT marketplace, wallet tracker, merchandise store, etc. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. So this was, their website's weird. You scroll up and down and it goes across and then down. It's really weird. It's a very cool site how they built this. So I like that they're showing you their utility. It's like they're going full bore into the NFT marketplace, Kishu Crate. At a high level, guys, I like Kishu based off of everything I've just said. So then I like them in that regard. They're up front and center that they're a meme coin, but yet they've got some utility that they're building around. You know, I like this too. I saw this. Their smart contract has been fully audited by a top specialized team. Liquidity pool tokens have been burnt. You know, so see their security audit. Everything's here. I like them. Okay. Yeah, I dig what I'm liking. Or like what I'm digging, or whatever I'm seeing. You get my point. Yeah, I like them. Okay. They're in that meme coin category, right? And so why not throw a little bit of money at them? Yeah, I like it. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat. See, is there another one? Anthony hit me again. You might not be the end. What was he saying? But I bet you're honest. I am honest. Thank you. Well, I appreciate it. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Wow. We got a lot of chats here. We've been on here for how long? We've been on here? 2 hours. 2 hours and 2 minutes. Wow. You guys are here. You guys sticking around listening to me talk for 2 hours and 2 minutes? That's crazy. All right, keep going here. I said I was going to be done at 2 hours, but we'll stick around for a while, a little bit more. Let's see. Nicholas, where are we going to be on our coins in 4 to 5 years? Shiba and Doge. Man, that's a good question. I think in 4 to 5 years, I think Doge is in the $4 to $5 range, maybe. I hope I'm wrong. Hope it's higher. I think if SHIB executes on swap and everything like that, and that hits, and that's massive, and with its own decks and everything like that, continues to be built out and things like that, I definitely think that SHIB's got the possibility to go to $1. I do. But guys, if SHIB goes to 10 cents, with what you guys, most of you guys, with where you all bought in at and where I bought in at and things like that, I mean, that's a massive return. 10 cents. Think about that, right? I mean, that's right here, right, guys? I mean, we're right here in the million spot. Remember the video I did the other day? If you haven't checked it out, go on my channel. There's a video I talked about if you put $500 into SHIB right now, and if it went to a penny, which is this spot right here, it was like $745,000 in profit. It was crazy. So think about that. If it went to 10 cents, instead this is a penny, 0.1 is a penny. If it went to 1.0, that's 10 cents. That's millions of dollars from a $500 investment today. It's crazy. So there you go. 4 to 5 years, I think it's possible. All right, guys. Two War Vet has its own algorithm, a token ride. There you go. That's kind of cool. I like, there's some military vet coins out there that I do like, guys. I really do. Again, I like that whole military charitable world in relation to crypto. That's what I love about crypto is that it's okay. Oh yeah. So Practical Press PR Rocket was Porn Rocket. Great chart. Please look. Okay, I did. Yeah, it does have a great chart. So guys, if you haven't already done so, I didn't know my stream was going to turn into this. Go buy some Porn Rocket. It's not investment advice. I'm probably going to buy some too. Again, porn is big. It's here to stay. I can't believe I'm talking about porn. It's crazy. Anyway, I hope this video doesn't get banned. YouTube. I hope YouTube doesn't ban me because the YouTube algorithm can see into the audio file, and it's like, why is he talking about porno? Okay. Anyway, all right. So I can't believe we've been talking about porno all night. That's crazy. Thank you, Practical Press, by the way, for your super chat. Appreciate you. When is Robinhood selling SHIB? Don't know. Somebody asked that. We've got the petition, but man, and that's the thing. If Shiba, when Robinhood announces Shiba, game on. I think that we'll move over at least a couple of zeros. All right. Oh, we got another super chat. Hold on, let me scroll down here. Where's that at? JT4590. Please research and talk about the SHIB rug pull scam, ShibaExposed.com, WordPress.com. Okay, cool. All right. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. JT wanted me to talk about this. So I think it's WordPress, Shiba Inu scam. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, right here. Talking about it. Thanks for the super chat. So what JT wanted me to show you, and I don't have a problem showing you this because I've read this. There's an article out here, okay? And I believe this is it. Yeah, this is it. So you guys can check this out. I'm not saying that this is real or not, okay? This is a very long article written, I don't know when it was written. I don't think there's a date on it. I'm sorry, it was May 23rd, or it was updated. That talks about the fact it's kind of like the Shiba Inu token exposed. I've read this. You guys have known, I've done videos, guys, on Shiba a while ago where I was kind of worried about Shiba a little bit. I've been very vocal about that. Was Shiba a scam and things like that. And I've read this. This is a compelling article, okay? But I've also followed the Reddit forums and I've seen some things about, that this, here's the thing. I'm showing it to you. You guys are more than welcome. You saw me. You saw how I found this. Go check it out. Go read it for yourself and make your own decisions. I think with the information coming out now that Shiba swap is real, and everybody was really coming in the last couple of weeks. Everybody was talking about if Shiba swap's not real. I agree with some of you guys. The video that I talked about on my channel the other day, which was from Shiba Analyst, where he shows the Shiba swap. He's a very reputable YouTuber, been around, very reputable, does great videos. Shout out to him. And right here, right now, I am very optimistic. Am I 100% sold that Shiba's not a scam? No, I'm not. I mean, but you always got to look at, any coin, right? And so I'm not saying that it is a scam. I'm not saying that it isn't. But I think that as we continue to go along, I think Shiba Swap is in development, at least in what the information I have at hand. You guys are welcome to go check this out and read this yourself. You gave me a super chat. I appreciate it, JT. And yeah, I think that's kind of what I would say. I want you guys to make your own decision. I have talked about is Shiba a scam in videos on my channel. Other good YouTubers who are not hyping it only have talked about it too. And what we know, and you guys understand, as far as where I'm at sitting in this seat, I can only go off of what the information I have at hand is. I have read this entire document, okay? And I think there's some interesting information here, and I want you to make up your own mind, okay? So there you go, JT. I did talk about it. Thank you for the super chat. I did show it on this. People are welcome to go make their own decision. I've read it. I am still thinking that Shiba is absolutely real. And although there's some compelling stuff in here, but I'm still a believer. There you go. Thanks for the super chat. All right, so let me go back over here to where we were on Kishu. We still got people dropping in about Porn Rocket. Wow, 487 likes. Hey guys, hit the like button if you would. For those of you guys who are here, hit the like button. That push that up a little bit, so when I go to the replay, it'll help. So I appreciate that if you guys would smash the like button. Also, if you don't know this already, I have my own private group. It's in the comments below. There's a link if you guys want to go check it out. I've got a private Discord community, all that kind of stuff. Go check that out if you want. Okay. T-Man says, laugh my butt off. They don't ban accounts for talking about porn. All right, cool. I'm just being cautious, right? I'm just being cautious. All right. I love it. There's a whole bunch of comments about, and you guys can see the comments too, by the way, about Porn Rocket. We've become the night of Porn Rocket. All right. Austin, do you know if the SHIB is on FTX Pro? No, FTX Pro is real. I do not know it. Sorry if I don't know that. So somebody's asking about that. Hey, what's up? Gone viral for a super chat. Love your channel. Dogecoin to the moon. Thank you for the super chat, and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Let's see. I'm reading, so bear with me, guys. I realize you're looking at the side of my face, but I'm reading the chats over here. Samuel, SHIB has 500,000 holders, not on Robinhood and Coinbase. That's too much money to not make it a positive project. I agree. Richard says, Kevin, isn't every coin high risk? Yeah, I mean, hey man, every stock is high risk. Not every stock. I mean, but stocks are high risk, right? There's always a certain amount of risk, right? That is. Okay. Do I think ADA is going to visit Vitsy Funk? Do I think ADA is going to hit $10? Yep, I do. I think, is it this year? I don't know. I think it's 5. I think 5 is very doable for ADA, Cardano, and I think it could. JTA hit me another super chat. Thanks, man. SHIB dev still holding tokens. Will tank price again. Token created in October 2020. Swap may become real, but demo did not legitimate to me. He's an IT guy. JT, number 1, thank you for the super chat. Number 2, I hear you. Okay. I appreciate your opinion. I love it when that. Here's what I love. I love about the fact that on my channel and on live streams we have an open discussion. And you guys know me. I don't pull any punches. It could turn out that SHIB is not real. And you're an IT guy, so you probably are better at looking at the various different things than me. And so, when it goes live, I'm kind of reserving my decision. I always go back to my default. My default is don't put money into it that you can't afford to lose, period. Okay. If you go into it, my grandfather had a saying, go into it eyes wide open. So that's kind of where I'm at, but I appreciate your input, man. Thank you. I'm assuming that you're a guy, JT. I don't know. I apologize. I appreciate your input. All right. Thanks. I'm just reading, guys, so bear with me. Thank you for the super chat, by the way, JT. The two of them. Appreciate you. I keep getting asked questions about Everypedia. I'm not sure I'm familiar with that one. The Himalayan, wow, you made 60,000 plus subscribers. I've seen your video since day one. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm shocked. I can't believe that I'm 60,000 subscribers. Let me give you guys a little funny information here. I had when I launched my channel, I had a goal of having 25,000 subscribers by the end of the year, by the end of December of this year, and I mean I'm hit 60,000 already. It's crazy. I mean, I'm in shock. I am humbled. Number 1, I'm humbled by y'all's support of me, and thank you so much. But yeah, it's kind of crazy, but it's cool. It's a fun ride. Let's see. So thanks for the likes. Keep smashing the like button, guys. I appreciate you. Wow, a lot of things coming in here. Hold on. Porn Rocket is very real. Keep getting Porn Rocket stuff. How How much of the India donation has been pushed out? I don't know the answer to that. Sean, we talked about SafeMoon. I'm gonna do a SafeMoon video, Sean. SafeMoon's worthy of a video, and I haven't looked at SafeMoon in a while, so I don't have enough information to give you guys enough. Let's see. Hold on. Oh, it's moving. Let's see. Hold on. The chat's moving. I gotta get. I see that super chat, T-Man. Hold on. I'll hit you in just a minute, buddy. Somebody typed in JT. There you go. Just avoid DeFi tokens that don't already have a legit exchange. All right, that's good information. Thank you, JT. JT's he's a information technology, so good. Maybe someone good to listen to. Anyone know how to find out if shit? Okay, we already done it. Love your content. Thoughts on SafeMoon? Sorry to talk about SafeMoon. Sorry, you have to look at the side of my head, guys. Okay, T-Man, I'm at your super chat here. Have you heard anything about the Astra coin that might be coming out soon? That might be a good project to look into. All right, so T-Man sent me a super chat. Thank you for the super chat. So we're going to look at Astra. All right, let's look at Astra. Here we go. Is it Astra Network? T-Man, let me see here real quickly. Is this it? Nope, that's not it. Let me look over here. Is it over on CoinGecko? Oh, here we go. Astra Protocol, I'm assuming. This must be it. I'm assuming this is it, T-Man, right? Okay. The Astra coin. Yeah, okay. Wow, down 74%. Wow, what's happening here? Why are we down? Did it just come out? 7-day. Okay, what is this? What do we do? Where can you get it? Yep, Pancake, that's fine. That's good. What's their use case? What's the overview? Let me go look at the website. Hold on. I have to look at this, guys. T-Man hit me with a super chat, so hold on just a minute. The next big thing, the long game. New Binance Smart Chain based distribution. All right, so we got to buy, hold, grow, and donate. Okay. First charitable donation from Astra Charity in 23 days. Okay. Astra Protocol always drives the value of Astra high. Astra holders see their money grow just by holding Astra. Astra employs unique dip supporting buyback. Fills up automatically. How to buy, etc. Okay. I'm going to tell you, T-Man, that we may be a little bit too early to kind of give you my opinion here. It's just one of these. Another one, buy and hold scenario white paper. Let me check that out real quickly. Well, am I on the white paper? Oh, it's on their website. It didn't pull me over. Okay. Discourage. Cap total supply, 1 billion coins. All right. That's good. All right, not bad. Okay. Kind of framework. Okay, so they haven't made any donations yet, but I think they're kind of new. Tokenomics. Okay, here we go. 1 billion. Community, million. Team developers, 100 million. Seed investors, 150 million. Company reserve, 100 million. Burn rate, 1%. Okay, so it's deflationary. LP, charity, 2%, 2%. Here's one thing. I kind of like what I'm seeing, and at these prices, where's it at? At these prices, it's not a bad one. I would say put some cash into it. It's not a bad one. We're looking at it 1 or 2 minute, T-Man. It's one of those deals where, don't put into it. Don't put the rent money in it, right? Which I wouldn't expect you to do. And it's not bad. I think it's kind of a better than a lottery ticket. I like some of what I'm seeing here. The charitable attribution, the tokenomics are very straightforward. I didn't see a dev team, things like that. Here's their launch platform development. Okay, this is like influencer recruitment, Astra Charity, strong community, 3,000 plus. They've already burned 4 million charitable donations. They've already made some charitable donations. Okay, earlier I thought they hadn't made any. If they're upfront and center about their charitable donations, I like him and things like that. Hopefully that's an answer for you, T-Man. But thank you for the super chat, man. Appreciate you. Wow, we got a lot coming on here. Let me see. Okay. I'm reading here, guys. Bear with me. Solomon said they've been making more money from Everpedia than Doge. Celos, thanks for that input. Interesting. Thanks for your congrats on your subscribers. Then Porn Rocket. Everybody, I think everybody's just going to type in Porn Rocket. Hey, you guys hit the like button a couple more times, would you please, if you haven't already done so. Kevin Smith says SHIB is not a scam. It's high risk. All right. Yep. It's high risk. Thomas says avoid most of those charity coins. They will make you broke and the founders rich before they disappear. Fair enough. I personally don't own any of the charity coins. That's fair. Nate has an opposing view of SHIB. He thinks it's a scam. Okay, so we've got an ongoing discussion about that. Thank you, VPN. Appreciate you. Straight to the point. It's like podcast, zero toxicity. Keep doing. Cool. Oh. Ed from Queens. All right, Ed from Queens. That's pretty cool. I'm Austin from Dallas. There you go. I'm kidding, man. Ed from Queens. Thank you for the super chat, by the way. Here we go. So much for Bitcoin death cross. What happened to Litecoin? It is one of the first coins, was $400 in 2017 and never moved. Guys, you know what's funny is I own some Litecoin. Litecoin is overlooked. Litecoin is almost like the stepchild of the crypto market. Nobody talks about Litecoin. Here it is right here. And, you know, Ed, man, you know, it's funny you bring that up, right? It's, I like Litecoin, but no one talks about it. It doesn't get any coverage, really. I mean, it gets like coverage like by FX Street and stuff like that. You know, it's charting analysis and stuff. But man, Litecoin, I don't think gets the due that it should have, right? I don't know why. I don't know. It's almost like the media don't want to talk about them. I like them. I like them. I like Litecoin. I do. I own some Litecoin, and I'm probably going to buy some more. I think right now it's at a discount. You know, I like them. I don't know what to tell you, man. It's weird, and they just don't. I don't think they don't get their fair shake. You know, I don't know if that's what you want me to say, but that's kind of how I feel about them. I like everything about Litecoin. I don't know, but thanks for the super chat. I appreciate you, man. I'm reading, guys. Bear with me. Thanks, VPN. Appreciate it. SafeMoon, Dustin, I've already talked about him. I'm going to do a video SafeMoon on SafeMoon. Ethereum Classic, Samuel said it's a good time to buy them. I've got some people that like the sound of AquaGoat, cleaning the ocean. Okay, cool. Baby Shark, thinking about buying $50 of it. Has anyone bought it? Somebody drop in the chat if anyone's bought any Baby Shark. Do you guys like Baby Shark? I had somebody question on that a minute ago. Blazecoin, Metal Militias, Brian. Okay, so Blazecoin's like a Metal Militia. That's what? Let me look at that one. I don't even what Blaze? If I could spell Blazer. No, let's see. Is it Blazecoin? What is that? Blazecoin. No. I don't know what Blazecoin is. Blazecoin, I've never seen that. I can't find it. All right, Blazecoin. Metal Militia. Interesting. PinkPanda. Amir, we already did PinkPanda. I like PinkPanda because of the cancer aspect of it. And then their dev teams out in front and center. I like them. Porn Rocket got me more likes. Thanks, Chelsea. Appreciate it. Brick Oven. Can't believe you read Nate's post and not mine. I apologize, Brick Oven. I didn't see your earlier chat. It's hard because there's so many chats coming in. I'll read you. I'll read it. Litecoin is solid. Silver to crypto gold. I agree, Kevin. I like Litecoin. Have we talked Sleepy Random? That's their screen name. We did talk about baby Dogecoin. I like BitTorrent too. Somebody asked me earlier about BTT. I like BitTorrent. Zach Humphreys and I talked about BitTorrent a lot on our when we did our stream the other day. which we're going to be doing another one of those probably Monday or Tuesday night, by the way. Baby Shark, make your profit, then exit. I think I personally have, with this stream, will get a pump out of Porn Rocket because of this stream. Everybody's commenting on it. Everybody's going to go buy Porn Rocket. It's funny. Is there another super chat? Did I miss? No, Ed's Ed. All right, Ed, I got you, brother. I did yours. Ed, I like Litecoin. I don't get it, dude. I don't know. Feg token, we talked a little bit about already, guys. I already talked about Shiba a lot. So, guys, you can check that on the replay. Talked about Shiba a lot. We got Nate says Litecoin equals trash. Okay, Nate, I get you. We got opposing views here. Randy, I've already talked about Shiba quite a bit. AMP token, did we talk about AMP? We did talk about AMP, yep. I think I like AMP. I'm going to dig more into them. You can buy Shiba on crypto. Angry Line, you can buy Shiba on crypto and Swap and a few others. Let's see. I'm just trying to read these guys. Brick Oven said, too late for porn. I see your comment there, brother. Oh, pump. Okay. Pump and dumps give a bad name to crypto, but you can make a fortune if you hit it early. I saw that one. Oh, there we go. Sorry. Now I see your other token. I bought Dogecoin, Doge token and Doge token father tokens for 2K, scalped it to 70K in one night. Wow. That's cool, Brick Oven. Man. And then pump and dumps and crypto give. Yep. Randy, I have talked about Shiba. Yep, I have. Just reading here, guys. Thanks for the likes. Appreciate it. Elongate. Etc. I don't have an opinion on the Elongate token. Somebody asked about that. Elongate. Yeah, I don't have a opinion. Telcon. Sharon saying Telcoin. Let me look at that one. I think you mentioned that a couple times, Sharon. Sharon mentioned Telcoin. Ranked 58. That's pretty cool. All right, coming up. Up 8%, 3 cents. Obviously, has a telco use case. Instant low-cost money transfers powered. I'm assuming it has a telco use case. Remittances, remanagement, instant transfers, mobile convenience, mobile related. Oh, there we go. Solid model. Kind of like this. I might have to look at this more. I kind of like this. I'm gonna have to dig into this. So you guys check this one out. This one was Sharon. Telcoin, TEL. Check it out. It's not bad. I'm gonna look into that one a little bit. Let me write that one down. Wow, I got all this stuff to look at. Barry, you got a super chat from Barry. Thank you. What do you think about Algorand? I don't know. Let's go check them out. Let's see. Algorand, there they are. Number 31. Wow. $1.03, up 2%. Where can you get them? Everywhere. I like that. All right. 208,000 watchers. I know nothing, Barry. I know nothing about Algorand. So here we go. Okay. Let me go check out website. There's two of them. All right. The foundation and this. Accelerates convergence between decentralized traditional finance enabling the creation of next generation financial product protocol. See, I love this right here. Boom. Use case. First sentence. Love it. Okay? Love it. Ecosystem and use cases. Love it. It's all front and center. Everything is like, this is what we do. Future of finance. Get started. Technology. Yeah, accept your cookies. Yep. Okay. Proof of stake. Wow, foundational blockchain development. I think I like them. I haven't looked at them yet. Innovation at work. Barry, you gave me the super chat. Barry May, thank you. And I'm going to look at these, and I think I like what I'm seeing. I'm going to dig more into this. Here's the thing, guys. When I'm looking at a coin like this, when I'm looking at it, I look at this and go, I immediately know kind of if I like them or not, right? I think a lot of you guys kind of do similar, but I like the use case already. I like that they're front and center, and I'm like, you know what? I'll put $100 or so into Algorand, and it's not really a speculative coin. It's not at all. It's not a speculative coin, but you get my point. It's like I'll put $100 into that and just or 100, a couple hundred or whatever, and just almost kind of set and forget. That's kind of how I look at different cryptos, because I know I've said this a million times, and I know you guys already know this, but cryptos, what I love about crypto is there's so many darn different use cases and different cryptos for every single body. Porn Rocket, right? And others like that. But my point is that, like Algorand, I just hadn't gotten that far down and kind of looked at it, but I kind of instantly kind of like what I saw. And so, Barry, there you go. Thanks for the super chat. I kind of dig what I'm seeing here, and I think I might put a little bit of cash in it. I think I'm going to put some cash into T-Fuel. I've already looked at that. A couple of the others. All right. Appreciate it. Craig, Porn Rocket made me 200K since day one. Wow, congrats, kid. That's cool. All right, guys, I'm going to give it, we're coming up on 2 hours and 30 minutes. I did not think I'd be live streaming this long. Thank you truly for your support. I'm going to give it about another 15 or 20 minutes, and then we're going to wrap up, okay? Because it's coming up on 8:15 Dallas time. Where to buy Porn Rocket. All right, I'll show you. Hold on. Here we go. Go here. Go here. Right there. Pancake Swap, L-Bank, Hotbit. There you go. That's where you can pick it up. Kishu Inu. You can buy, I'll show you where Kishu Inu. You can go to their website. Kishu Inu, where to buy it. Market. There you go. Uniswap. 1 inch. Etc. All right. I'm reading, guys. That's why you hear me being quiet. Everypedia. Let me look at that one. We've had about 4 or 5 people ask about that. So let me. Everypedia. Here they are. Rank number 268. 1 cent and change. Up 70.72. 7-day chart. Spike down. Coming back. All right. Where can you buy it? Pretty much everywhere, for the most part. Binance, etc. No Coinbase or anything. That could be a catalyst. Let's look at the use case, or what their website says. Okay. Everypedia's vision is to bring real-world data and knowledge to the blockchain, helping verify facts in an era of misinformation, unlocking a new class of use cases in financial markets. Okay. Everyone's encyclopedia. Does this have to do with like encyclopedia? Like, is this like the encyclopedia scenario coming and they're built their own? Is that what this is? What is it? About the encyclopedia of everything. Everypedia offers a space for you to dive into anything you find interesting, connect with people, share your own perspective, become an area. Online encyclopedia in the modern age. And blockchain to help us fulfill our vision. This is interesting. Everypedia. Right there. I like that their team's front and center. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I kind of like this. 1 cent. News. What's going on with them? Any news? Every now and then it'll do this. Coin market cap kind of grays out. I guess they don't. That means there's no news, or it's my. I think there's just no news here. I would say every PD I kind of like what I'm seeing. I mean, it's got a very specific use case, dev teams out there. I didn't see tokenomics, but I probably just maybe didn't get to it. Yeah, I didn't see tokenomics, but kind of wish that was front and center. But for the most part, and like, let me in the overview here. Is it here? Oh, here you go. Here's there's tokenomics right there. Well, it's a circulating supply. And the max supply. Oh, there we go. Max supply is not available. I don't like that. I wish I knew what the max supply was. I mean, I don't have. Yeah, they're okay. I like them. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap up here in a few minutes. I'm about to lose my voice. Oh, got a super chat from Inio. Hope I'm saying your name right. Inio, check Skyrocket. PooCoin? Okay, hold on. PooCoin? Let me first. I'm assuming, is it not here? It's not here. Okay. Is this really a thing? PooCoin. All right, PooCoin. Be checking my browser. Okay. This is a super chat, guys, so I'm trying to look at it here. Let's see. Token name. Skyrocket. Okay. Not a lot to look at here. Where's the site? Skyrocket BNB. It's just trading volume. Let's see. Where's the website? Is Skyrocket Senior? I've never been on this website, guys, so bear with me. Okay? Skyrocket Senior. Trading's volume is pretty volatile, moving down. I'm assuming, I don't know if this is the same one. And Inio, I'm trying to give you an opinion here, but there's not, I don't, where I can, oh, there's our website. There we go. Token for the DeFi can go far beyond the total supply, supply burn. Okay. Man, what is their, what do they do? What do they do? Oh, launch a mobile game development, mobile gaming tournament. Okay. I like that. I mean, that's a huge scenario. You know what? Some people have been asking me about this on my channel. I'm assuming this is what you're talking about, Inio. I'm sorry. I hope I'm saying your name right. Inio. I hope I'm doing that right. If I'm not, I apologize. Token for the DeFi community. Yeah, I mean, I think I like this. If it has this kind of gaming aspect of it, tokenomics, allocation, distribution, I think I like them. Yeah, it's cool. All right. I had another one. Joe Montana, super chat. Thank you for that, by the way. What do you think of Aqua Goat? Okay, let's look at them. Let me get rid of that. Let's see, go back to Coin Market. Are they on Aqua? All right, guys, I'm going to give you about a 5-10 minute call, and then I'm going to have to end this. Aqua Goat, is that them? Yep, Aqua Goat Finance. There we go. All right, let's see what we got here. 29.89 out of 10,200 plus on 65,000 watch lists. Pretty cool. Volume is up, and we're up almost 10%. All right. 7-day, what are we looking like? Oh, we trended down. Shocker. I'm being facetious, not about AquaGoat, because everything else was trending down. And now we're bouncing back up. All right, where can we buy it? Let's check that out. Pancake, Hotbot, Hotbit, Pancake. Got it. Okay, overview. What do they do? Aquagoat price, 24-hour volume, blah, blah, blah. There's some tokenomics right there. Market cap's not 6. I want to read more. Okay, okay, here we go. Decent yield token, utility token operates on an automated liquidity pool, self-staking distributed. Native utility token of the Aquagoat finance will be used for network donation pooling, staking, e-commerce integration. Okay, for material NFT marketplace, got it. APO yield farming, crypto asset exchange, recognized harmful impacts of cryptocurrency mining. So they're kind of going ecological. I got that. 100 quadrillion, 40% of the supply sent to a burn wallet, deflationary force, fee, yep. Stealth launched by an Australian developer since obsession. Community-led decision to pursue cleanup, ocean cleanup. All right. Okay. Did I miss it? What is their use case? Yield generation, social cryptocurrency members earn interest from network activity, all by through charitable partnerships. Okay, so it has a charitable aspect to it. What was it trading at? I don't see anything wrong with it. I like the charitable aspect. Economics are front and center. About us. Charities. There's our charities and partnerships. Beneficiaries. There's the confirmation that they did receive a donation. Okay. Team. Team is front and center. All right. I like, at a high level, I like everything I'm saying, guys. I mean, there's, the thing about it is like, you can look at something like this. Who asked me that? Joe, you can look at something like this and go, hey, it's worth throwing a little bit of money if you believe in kind of what they're doing from the overall charitable aspect of it. Go into it eyes wide open, as my grandfather used to say, right? And but I do kind of like what I'm seeing here. So yeah, it's not bad. There you go. All right, guys. I'm going to wrap up here just in a minute. T-Fuel we did earlier, Sharon. Thanks. All right, guys. I'm going to wrap up, guys. I've been going. I only planned on doing about an hour and a half, and I'm coming up on 2 hours and 45 minutes. So it's 8:30 on a, is it Sunday? Yeah, on a Sunday evening. I want to tell you guys thank you truly for your support. It's crazy that we had like a peak of like 600 plus users, of concurrent users. If that's my charts over here, I can see all that activity. Thank you for all the super chats. I genuinely am humbled by your guys' support of my channel. Thank you. I am going to start doing more live streaming. Absolutely, I'm in. I love it. I love the interaction. And thank you truly for your support. I'm going to be here, not going anywhere. I don't know everything about crypto, and I'm the first guy to say it, but I am learning every single day, and I'm always going to shoot straight with you. I'm always going to tell you if I like something. I'm always going to tell you if I don't like something. And just make smart decisions as it relates to buying crypto, just like you were buying stocks. Diversify. Don't have all your money in crypto. Don't have all your money in one crypto. Buy yourself a little bit of the top ones we've already talked about tonight, and set aside. There's that term dry powder, right? Dry powder means cash on the side for if a new token comes along you want to get into. Always have a little bit of dry powder, cash on the side that you can afford to put in if you want to get into some of these more speculative coins. I think there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's one of the coolest reasons that I love crypto is that you got cryptos like Aquagoat, like some of the other ones that we talked about tonight. I didn't know that that's what I was going to do, was really start looking at a lot of different ones for you. I love that we kind of natively did that. It wasn't my plan. I didn't have a plan for my first live stream. I just knew we'd come on and we'd talk and I'd be here for you because that's really what I care about. Is I really want to just be here as an asset. And guys, I don't know it. I don't know all of it. You kind of saw me go through the process live. When you're looking at these different cryptos, a lot of it is just you kind of got to look at it and go, do I like it? Do a little bit of research. Look it up on Google. Is there any good or bad stuff going on around it? And just kind of, and then put money into it if it's speculative outside of the stable coin stuff. If it's speculative, only put into it what you can afford to lose, right? That's what I would tell you. But I genuinely, truly appreciate you guys' support of me and my channel. Truly, thank you. I know I've said it a bunch, but I genuinely mean it. Okay. With all that said, I'm going to wrap up there, guys. Thank you for supporting my first live stream. Thanks for all the super chats. I'll be back. See you guys. Take care. Make more money tomorrow than you did today. That's always the goal, right? Take it easy. Good night.